morning. Happy Tuesday. You hear the birds? They're chirping. The birds are chirping. How we feeling? How we feeling? Hey, good morning, Gary. Who's a mill in the building? What's good? Good morning, Scott. Good morning, Scott. Good morning, dude. Morning, 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 everyone. Morning, George. What's up, brother? What's good? What up, Green? Morning, Adam. Music. How's everybody doing today? I'm currently in a sell. Beautiful. Yeah, this was pretty nice sell right here, not gonna lie. Did we close below? Yeah, we closed below here. Nice close below, look at that thing, drop. Should be good. Coming down into the support here. Very nice. Wasn't looking at the charts at that time. Well, good job, Gary. Way to go, brother. So, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another stream. It is Tuesday, the 25th of April. Moving along here in April pretty well. And we're almost in May, man. Just about in May. Let's take a look at what's going on here in the Discord real quick. What is this? Nice. Oh, man. This is beautiful. This was a nice breakdown here. This was very nice. Hey, myself, I'm gonna get triggered. Yeah. What happened in London? Who took any trades? What you guys do in London session? Anything? Looks like there's been some volume here. Leader. Sam Capital in the London session. Red FX. Oh, I thought that was Red FX. 2-minute trade. Oh, nice. Who was that? Austin? Oh, good work, bro. Very nice. Oh, that was just now. Oh no, that was 3. I thought that was that. Quick trade, huh? Nice. All right, cool. Let's oh, we got a 1 hour close here. Hold on here, chat. Yeah, I might be looking to get into a position right off the jump here before we even do a breakdown. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna have sell stops here. See if we can get a top wick here. Oh, sorry. Oh. right, yeah, I think I'm gonna have sell stops here, chat. The break of these lows. Oh, I didn't get in. Missed it. Missed it. Anybody get that? All right. Gold is dripping. Sheesh. I'm in. Nice. Yeah, it's like 10 pips already right there, right? Clean. Yeah, we should be clean now all the way down here. So we should come down to this next support here. Yeah, I missed that one. All right, some people are in. I'm in from earlier night. Missing that move. Yep. Oh, nice. Edwards in. Beautiful. Perfect. Yeah, this should drive. Should have a nice 30-minute candle here. I would probably be going risk-free here. Wow. Beautiful. All right. Well, that's exciting. This thing gonna just run. All right. Well, shout out to you guys that are in. Word. Very nice. 1 hour candle closed, or 30-minute candle closed below here, which was good. Nice little drop there. So this candle doesn't have a bottom wick. Interesting. But all right, cool. So let's do a quick breakdown here. For those of you guys that are holding, very well done. I'm in. Perfect. Very nice. So let's talk about this, man. This is pretty interesting. Let me just share this. Share the link here and we'll be good. Yeah, a little too late on that one. But all right, cool. So let's take a look at let's do a top-down analysis real quick, and then we can see what's going on. So got the weekly time frame here, right? One thing we can say is we had a nice push up here, a support that was created, a resistance that was created, and at this point you were basically just in this range on the weekly time frame. And yesterday's candle did come down to retest the support, or that was last week. So we came down, test the support, made a top wick here, and flip bearish. Now, can we break these lows is kind of the question here, right? If we could break these lows, I think we can come down to retest the wicks down here. And man, if we could break those and close below here, that'd be pretty crazy. But I believe yesterday we did close bullish, right? Off the daily time frame. Yeah, so we closed bullish. Looks like we popped right away, broke the high. One thing we could say though is we did close bullish below. We still closed below the range here, and that is pretty good news. I mean, if we're gonna continue down here, this must have been some sort of liquidity grabbed up there. I believe gold popped without making a bottom wick yesterday, right? So I know some of the guys were getting in buys on the Discord, but at this point we should be able to push down. If we pushed up with no bottom wick, and now we're creating that bottom wick. If we break the lows, we can continue down. But if we don't break these lows, then this candle could always turn around and flip bullish here, right? As long as we respect the lows down there, we can continue on up here back into this nasty consolidation, maybe even close above, who knows. But those are the two scenarios in which gold will probably end up doing today. If we break the lows, we should continue down. If not, we may flip bullish and continue on up here. So We are bullish based off of yesterday's close. So yeah, so let's take a look at the 4 hour, see what the 4 hour is looking like here. So it looks like we have a resistance up top, right in this area. You have a very strong support right down here, and you have another one right here as well. So you're basically trading around in this range right now on the 4 hour time frame. So not the cleanest range coming in here, but pretty decent for this move here. Now you're kind of running into these rejection areas, right? So gotta take a look at that, what that looks like on the 1 hour and the 30-minute here. So 1 hour time frame is what we're just looking at. So it looks like we're just smooth sailing. After we got the close below here, which was this candle, which was at 5 a.m. That was the new 4 hour candle. 4 hour candle closed below very nicely. And this candle is just driving. So 1 hour candle closed below, beautiful candle here, and this one's probably gonna finish the job. This is the range that we're in, right? We should fill this range according to technicals at this point. You got clean traffic all the way down here to the left hand side. Shouldn't have a problem coming down into this 1977 zone here. So very nice move, man. Very nice move. Very clean move as well. 30-minute close below here, which we just discussed. All right, 30-minute close, and that was a nice little push. What was it? It was about 20 pips. So a nice 20 pip push, and you look pretty clean now, right? You look pretty clean coming down into this range. We may see a pullback, we may not. So looks like gold is just on the run right now here. So we don't know if we're going to get a pullback, if price is going to continue down. But we do know that we had a real strong move down that closed with no bottom wick. Looks like we got another decent push, but now this candle seems like it's starting to lose some steam there. It's not really able to drive down. So at this point, you may be able to see some sort of a pullback, right? Maybe a candle goes back in the range, come back up, and then make its way back down. Yeah, so maybe get another candle here to create some sort of resistance, and then we come back down. So don't get all scared and mad. I missed the move. Like, we may be able to get a better entry, right? Just the session is just beginning, right? So just sit tight, be patient here today. It's going to be another day to test that discipline muscle. It's going to be another day to test the patience muscle and build that character in your trading. So yeah, but right now we are breaking back into this range, and this candle from a technical standpoint should be able to fill the range. Now, will that happen? We don't know. We don't know because we may lose steam here just because this candle closed with no bottom wick. So we don't know if the pullback's coming now or if it's going to keep driving. We just got to go based off of technicals, right? So if we were paying attention and we were here a few minutes ago, we probably would have took 15-20 pips on this, but yeah, but that's about it. So clear sells below here, obviously. And next we would really have below. Yeah, I mean, this is the range. This is the range. So what I would like to see is a pullback here. If we can get a pullback up into this zone here, see this consolidation here, have something come back in here and kind of budge on it and then drop down again, and then we'll take sells. Something like that, right? Got a bunch of choppiness here. This is probably where, if we do get a pullback, price will struggle, and then that's where the resistance will be formed somewhere around this range here. But yeah, so that's that. Other than that, just enjoy this, enjoy the move, enjoy watching another close below and another push down. Isn't it beautiful, chat? that we stick to the same thing every single day and let it play out, right? Look at this. You had a candle close below, right? Close below here. Beautiful drive down. Beautiful drive down. Then you had this candle close below. Another nice little ride down here. So it's very, very important to wait for candles to close, right? Good morning, KenFX. Good morning. All right, and then buys today. If I'm gonna look for buys today, it'll probably be up above this consolidation. Well, it really depends because we are pretty bullish here based off of the close of this candle. But you know, right now we are pushing down. It looks like, you know, we don't have that information just yet, right? So we can't really make any decisions whether this candle is going to flip bullish or not. Right now, this candle is bearish after creating somewhat of an exhaustion wick here. And again, we did close below this level, right? Although we closed bullish, we're still bullish below here, right? And below here. So you may just see this candle today run a celery play, break after breaking the highs, and then run a celery play, right? Push down, something like that. So got to tap into these areas, right? If we are below the range, price says we should tap into these supports. So we'll see what happens. But for now, this will be what I'm looking at on gold here. So anything below here is pretty good. I do expect a pullback at this point. So this candle is starting to get a little weak. Let's see how this candle closes. It wouldn't be bad to see this candle close bullish back in the range, right? Wouldn't be bad to see this candle close back in the range, and then we just push up for a few candles. Come into this consolidation zone, form some sort of a resistance, right? Something like this. And then we can take this thing back down today. Right? So a nice healthy pullback wouldn't be too bad. Let's see if gold will give it to us. Definitely not taking sells right off this candle because this is getting weak. We're getting low. We need a pullback. So, all right, cool. So that's going to be the scoop here on gold. And probably look to take, if it depends if we're really looking at the 1 hour or the 30 here, but buys are probably going to be above here, and we'll take a look at that. And you know, if we get some sort of range to form down here, then we can revisit the buy idea, right? If we get something like this and you get that resistance that we want, but instead of price pushing down, we end up creating a support, then we may be able to take buys, you know, below these ranges here at some point today, going with the daily bias based off of that previous daily candle, right? So yeah, so we'll talk about that as we get more data here on the charts, but it looks like what I'm saying is playing out, right? This candle is going to lose the momentum, and we're either going to need a pullback to continue down, right? Something like this, pull back to continue down, or we get a push up, a support form to push back up. So there's really three scenarios, or we could just range, right? Just range today. So that's all we have to wait for. We'll revisit the buys if we do get some sort of a resistance and then a support. But for now, this is all the data we got, so this is what we're gonna go off of. So currently we're gonna look for buys above 1990, 560 or 579, and yeah, we're gonna let some sells go right now. So potential sells below 82 again if we can get the closures. We walked right into the party, gang. What up, Johnny boy?
Good morning, brother. Good morning.
What up, stud?
Good morning, chat.
How we feeling? Hey,
how you doing, chat?
We get to see a little bit more than your face now.
Yeah, you do.
How was your London session?
London session was good. No trades.
Nice.
Yeah.
And there goes the bullish flip. Hey,
yeah, gold needs a pullback.
Yeah, we need some nice little pullback here, right? So let's see if price can do what we just discussed and get a nice push up here and maybe to come back down, right? If we get a nice push up and then a close back below, that's going to be ideal. All right, something like this, and then a nice close. Like, let's say these are 30-minute candles. You have this candle, which is 7 to 7:30. This is 7:30 to 8, and then you have your 8 a.m. candle close back below the range, and we'll look to take positions here at 8:30 to come down to have a and at that time, this 1 hour candle will just look like this. And this 1 hour candle may just look like this, and it may just play out as like a 1 hour celery type of play. All right, something like that. So we'll see. Only time will tell, my friends. But yeah, so that's going to be the story here on gold for now. And yeah, sells below there, buys above 1990. Let's wait for a pullback. Let's wait for a pullback here.
Scott, what's going on?
Eating early. Yeah. Good morning, AJ. What's up, brother? I got your text message. Appreciate you, bro.
What's good, Sam?
Sam, I am is in the building. Wet FX is here. GJ. Morning, there's news today that affects USD pairs. Yeah, we got some news. What do we got? CB customer conference or confidence. That's going to be at 10 a.m. So we are pretty clear for a couple hours here. Morning, Simon.
Morning,
what's
George.
up, brother? Hey chat, we're creeping on 900 subs here. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, give us a sub and like the stream as well. We got about 80 people on here, only 28 likes. Come on, man. All right, let's take a look at GJ. Let's take a look at pound yen. All right, cool. So look at this. We have finally the weekly time frame is slowing up a bit here. Not that I didn't like this bullish move. It was beautiful, right? We had a bullish, really nice bullish push up into these zones here, and right into all these wick rejections, right? If we look left on the chart, we're coming into a strong rejection zone, right? So at this point, I expect the weekly time frame to give us some sort of a pullback, right? Nice healthy pullback here. Come on down. There's a resistance right here where price probably wants to pull back to, right? And then continue the run. So GJ is looking really good, man. It's been very well. It's been trading very well over the past couple of weeks, which I'm very excited about because y'all know I love GJ, man. I love gold, but you guys know I love GJ, and I didn't want to get rid of GJ. But once we were like, you know what, we're getting rid of GJ just started just dumping pips right into our lap. So gotta love pound yen, man. So let's do this. So we could see this this candle coming down, possibly closing bearish by the end of the week. Let's go to the daily time frame. The daily time frame is in a range right now. If you guys see this, we are kind of just chopped around in this range here based off of the daily time frame. Now let's look left, see what information we have over here. We do have a couple areas here. This is a pretty big wick rejection. Same thing with this area as well. So I think if we can get a candle to close outside of this range, like right now this bearish candle is coming down. We don't know if it's going to close outside of the range or not until later on today. But if you do get a candle to close below here, then I could say, okay, cool, tomorrow we can come on down, fill that wick, and potentially that would line up with the weekly rejections here as well. So but the daily did close bullish yesterday at support, so we are pretty bullish here on the day. Although this candle is bearish right now, as long as this candle right here respects the low here, at any moment it can reflip bullish, break the high, and continue up here today. So we are bullish based off of that alone. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. 4 hours coming down into this support zone here. As you guys can see, there's a pretty strong support right here, and that's probably where we're gonna find our pullback, right? If we look at this, we're pushing up on the 4-hour time frame, we're coming down. Some of you guys may use a Fibonacci or something here, but looks like a fib to me, right? 61.8, and coming down into the support area here. So yeah, if we could start to create some sort of support, which we broke the low here, so yeah, yeah, you got a 1-hour celery play here. So if we could break these lows, looks like we got pretty clean traffic to the left. You kind of closed right at it here, so that's a bit tough, right? Closed right at this level, pretty strong level here. So yeah, if we can get a candle to maybe a 30-minute candle here to close below this support, then we got clean traffic to the left hand side, and we will be taking this position here today. So clean traffic to the left. This is a new range you're breaking back into. You have a breakout, so you have this range 1 here. This is going to be your second range for us to enter trades going against that daily bias. And if we do get that close, then we will look to, or I will look to take advantage of this range here. Very, very clean range. So we'll see what we get. Gold pushing up, GJ pushing down would be ideal. So yeah, looking at sells below here in about 7 minutes. So sells below here, and then I think that's a 1-hour celery backed by a breakout, backed by clean traffic to the left, backed by range 2 here. So yeah, wouldn't mind that. And then we could probably look to take buys above this area, because then our idea based off of the daily starts playing out, right? Respecting the low, it can come all the way down to this low, but as long as it respects it, it could reflip bullish. And that also makes sense on the 4-hour to potentially create a support there. So yeah, but if we do close below here on the 30, it looks pretty clean to continue down. And let's see what this is. This is a 20 pip range, so not even the biggest range here. So we'll see. We have a range 2. So if we do get the close below, our system does call for us to enter that trade. So that's most likely what we'll be doing. And yeah, that's going to be probably it. I think we could take buys above here as well, being that the daily time frame is bullish. So we'll see what happens here. But we do have clean traffic on the way down. We have clean traffic on the way up. So let's wait for this candle to close and move accordingly. What up, Sam?
Yo, good morning.
Good morning, brother.
Oh, good morning, Sam.
How you feeling?
What's going on?
Hey, hey, yo,
Feeling good.
hey, yo, okay. My man.
Ready to catch another bleeder?
Yeah, that's how I was feeling. I
Bleeder.
know, that'd be nice if we catch another bleeder.
There.
That was funny. Yeah, man. Yesterday was a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade.
Yeah,
But,
yesterday is like the days I dream of when I'm sleeping. I think of days like yesterday.
Yeah.
If every day could be like yesterday, it'd be a
Straight that.
Yeah, man. Yesterday's trade was a great trade, but that was yesterday's trade. And we are now on to today.
Yeah.
Can today provide us with another bleeder? All right. I want to say troll stuff in the chat. Think it's nothing though.
ow.
We'll continue to say it every day, but patience and discipline is what's gonna win it today for us.
Yep.
If we can do that, we'll win the day. So let's focus on that. Patience and discipline.
1,000,000%, man. Truth. That's every day, chat. Every day.
You focus on those two things, you're winning the day.
I literally sound like your broken record, but that's all it is. That's all it is.
Yep.
You're in based off of the 1 hour. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, so we just gotta wait here for 30-minute candles to close. And yeah, we got about, what, 2.5 minutes here. Tandy!
What up, boys?
There he is, the boy.
Eddie.
Yee.
Bye.
What up?
My man.
The frick is good, dog.
What is Gucci? You're what's
And with
good.
the fresh cut.
Yeah, you haven't seen me since I got the new
look
ball.
at that.
I was gonna tell him, just ball fade that shit. But
Yo, put the Chicago Bulls emblem right on the side of the head. Yo,
I remember back in the day, I had the New York Yankee joint on the back of my head, man. Thought I was the coolest kid in the world.
fresh. Nah, that's sick, dude.
I used to have a mohawk. I've had everything, bro.
The faux hawk, remember that one?
The faux hawk.
Everyone was getting the faux hawk.
That's
Oh,
usually
God.
Oh, sorry.
The Fouts
I never.
haircut.
The Fouts.
Faux hawk. Yeah.
The
faux
Fouts. Yeah.
Now
There's-
the faux hawk is for the lesbians, you know?
There's been a lot. There's been a lot of styles. You guys remember the flip in the front back in the day and people would dye it blonde? Or was that just some...
Wait.
Everyone's like,
I
nah,
know
bro, I don't
exactly what
remember
you're
that.
talking about. Isn't that like what the hockey people were doing?
It would be like, people would literally flip their front up and then just dye it blonde. It was the funniest thing ever.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
I wanted to do
I
it, thank
missed
God
that
I
one.
never did it.
I missed that one for sure.
Yeah, it must have been a
Yeah, I miss that shit.
must have been a New York thing or a Northeast thing.
Yeah.
Well, like, I mean, I will say, like, I
Yeah.
know certain people, like, with hockey, they'll do some, I forget what it was, but they would do some blonde shit to their hair.
Well, that's like soccer or something like that. They all like dyed their hair blonde because it was like Super Saiyan or whatever.
Scott remembers.
Their power levels are about 9,000.
I could totally see Scott having that haircut back in the day. Definitely.
Yo,
Definitely.
Scott's rocking it.
It was usually always like the kids with like the dirty blonde hair, you know? And they just ice up the front of it even more blonde. All right, so I am not going to touch anything here on gold with this 30-minute closure because this 1 hour candle is probably going to close bullish. So although we closed bearish based off the 30 below, this candle I believe was probably the best move, and this we got to wait for the 1 hour at this point. 1 hour is shaky, my friends. So I believe that this 1 hour candle could potentially close back in the range here, because we do need a nice healthy pullback. We already did dive down, so you may see something like this here. So I'm gonna lay off of this 30-minute close here and not touch any of that. Not touching it.
Yo, Scott. Yo, what the ashwagandha is up?
Bro, I had the blonde spikes. Look at that. I knew it. I knew it. Oh, GJ. All right, GJ closed. We need a top wick here on pound yen. So if we can get a wick coming up to 166, 900-ish right here, like a 7-8 pip wick, then if we break the lows, I'll be looking to take a position here. But we need a top wick.
Okay, dude, what the fuck?
What happened?
Sorry, I'm so sorry. I almost got rear-ended. Sorry.
I'm about to say, Tanny just watched someone get fucking macked, bro. That's what it sounded like. Oh my god.
A Mack truck
Dude,
just
flying across that fucking road.
Dude literally just had to pull off into the ditch over there.
What? He was that close to hitting you. He literally had to
Dude, yo,
cut off the
he was
road.
not putting on his brakes, dude. He literally had to just avoid it. That was crazy. I'll be right back. 1 second. I'm shitting myself. 1 second. I'll be right back.
I'm shitting myself.
You gotta go clean out his underwear.
Okay.
Some Florida drivers, brother.
That's some Florida driving for your ass right there, Brian. Okay, cool. So yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop at the break of these lows here. Break of the previous candle low. We have range to drive. It's about I'll probably close partials right here, which is about a 15 pip range, I believe. 14, 15, like 13, 14 pips. But that's going to be our next support here. So 4 hour looks like we can continue down to this support here. Yeah. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look too bad. So yeah, sell stops here, the break of this low. What time is it? 7:30. You know what? No, not gonna do it. Not gonna take it here at 7:30. I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour candle to close. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour here. 1 hour will be a lot stronger. Can come if we can get a pullback here and get an entry down here. We have volume coming in. We have a bigger range, and should have more power in the candle as well. So if it drives without us, it drives. We'll catch sells below here, but yeah, probably just let if the 30 is gonna go, let it go. Usually, now this doesn't have to apply, right? But usually 7:30 is gonna wait for the NY open. So I don't want to get in before the real move's gonna happen. Get tapped in and just kind of play around here. So yeah, gonna hold off, wait for the 1 hour. But if this is your position to take, not a bad idea. Had a close below, had a nice top wick, so should be good. I had the blonde spikes. That's funny. And gold. Oh wow, gold coming down. Who's lying? Who's lying? Give me 1 sec. Who got in this? Anybody? Not a bad position.
Yeah, I got in it.
Nice. It's a small range too. It's only 12 pips, so
Yeah.
it's,
See what happens.
yeah. Gold, we'll wait for the gold 1 hour as well. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Man, this 4 hour is ripping here on gold.
Yeah, that's great.
Almost 100 pips.
Wonderful. Fill those wicks on the daily.
Yeah, yep, that's what I'm
This is-
thinking. We come down and fill
Yeah.
these wicks here.
At the minimum, because there's so much chop to the left.
Yeah. A little, nice push up here, man.
Yeah.
That was right out the gate. I don't think price even made a bottom wick. That was probably right here, I think. The
Yeah,
daily
something
open.
like that. Yeah, beautiful.
Not
That's a
bad.
beautiful move. London session apparently had a move like we had yesterday from New York with gold, where it just went in like 2 1-minute candles.
Oh yeah, was that this one? No,
for-
this one.
for gold. I think that's
3
GJ.
a.m. right here.
Yeah,
Sheesh.
that's GJ. I think
Oh.
for gold.
Gold, right?
It was like somewhere around like 340. I don't know.
Right
I
here.
think Austin was saying it in the Discord.
Here it is,
Yeah,
3:30.
Something like that. Yeah.
It was a
Hey,
bleeder.
If you saw in that, that's crazy.
Yeah, look at that 15-minute candle. Let's see the 5-minute. Yeah,
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
nice. Wow, 5 just ran, no top wick.
Yeah, he said his sell stop got activated at 50 seconds.
That makes
AM.
sense right here.
And then TP hit at 3:42.
Yeah, yo, yesterday's trade was like a 20-second trade, man. Like, I went back and
Yeah.
watched that on the stream, and that was like a minute, I think.
Bro, that was sick.
Oh, I know. Yeah, yesterday was crazy, bro. Well, I think the craziest part was like all that volume came at first, and then even more like on the next like
Just started
1
dumping,
minute candle. Yeah, I thought it was done
Right
after
here.
that first little shove.
bro,
Yeah,
and then
but
a
once it,
massive push up. That was
right
crazy.
after- I closed the charts right after I got out of it.
Oh yeah, me too.
I was surprised when I seen it corrected and went the whole way back up. I was like, okay. I thought for sure it was gonna keep bleeding. That's why I just shut the charts because I didn't want to chase them.
Yeah, that was it for me.
That was-
One and done. That was beauty.
Bro, rewatching that over was so funny.
Bro, Sam was the great. Bro, your reaction was the greatest, dude.
Well, I was
Chat,
like,
who's
"God
seen-
dang." Like,
Who's seen
Yeah, wait.
Sam's reaction? That was too funny, man.
That was, bro. That was dope.
I love that, bro.
Yeah, usually I don't get real hype like that, but I don't know. That's something about yesterday. Bro.
Nah, you know, when that volume dumps like that, it brings
Right, like I
it's
said yesterday, it felt like it was news, but it wasn't.
yeah. I mean, at the end of the day, guys, we're here to make money, right? We're here to have fun, like we're here to make money. So
Yeah.
when
I
your
love
money
what I
just
do.
starts running up, I mean, it's only natural to be like, oh,
You gotta enjoy what you do. Like, you
yeah.
know?
Right, I love what I do.
No
Yeah,
doubt.
love it, bro. Love it so much. Don't even need an alarm clock, man.
Nah, I don't know. Get up effortlessly.
There you go,
that
Johnny
trade
boy.
was in That's like one of those
Wow.
things. Trades in profit too. Stops at break even. You know, as long as I
Yeah.
don't remove my stops from break even, literally the worst thing could happen. Break even.
Facts.
Seriously.
I said,
anything for worse.
I said, there you go. Pushing what,
Yeah,
8,
Johnny
9
boy
pips?
eating on.
I'm about to
Getting a little morning snack for GJ.
want to push down a little bit more on the scare 80%.
Yeah.
Might go to BE though right now.
Not a bad idea. This candle shouldn't come back up and reflip and then push back
Yeah.
down.
100%.
I'm gonna pull the Nick strategy for New York opens.
And bro, we honestly, we probably could have popped in 2 trades already here today. The gold trade though, gang, I believe it would have got, if we would have went break even, it would have tapped us before pushing back down. Yeah. Both pairs just pushing down. Pound news came in at 5 as well. Looked like some pound news. You have something here. I don't even know. What is this? HPI, Sam? At 9 a.m. today? I don't even know what that is.
That house in you?
Yeah, change in purchase price of homes with mortgages backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mae.
Freddie Mac.
Freddie Mac. He didn't marry May. Freddie Mac in the house.
What time is that at? 9?
That's at 9. And then we have a red folder here at 10. So we're pretty clear for most of our session here.
Not sure why. I really do not recall ever seeing an HPI, bro. I don't know.
Yeah, me neither. That's like
I won't even lie or nothing.
unfamiliar. That's how I'm like, what the hell is that? Nice 1 hour salary there.
Dude, I'm about to yell out the window at this dumbass. He's literally out there scraping the fucking frost off his car, bro.
Frost, oh man.
Yeah, heat that shit up, bro. It's only like 40 degrees out. Just turn it on and we'll be fine in like 5 minutes.
Damn,
He's doing it so
everyone
slow,
in
bro.
a trade already. He's scraping.
Yeah, come on, bro.
Yeah. Nice job, boys. I had market structure drawn up on London Alert. Beautiful session for anyone. Yeah, nice, nice. Very nice. Sam made my day with that reaction. Fact. He did. He really did. Sam's reaction was gold.
I mean, I was saying something, right? I was like, my favorite part personally was when I was like, God damn.
Yo, that was great. That was great. But yeah. Another thing too, it's a little weird coming on stream when I haven't looked at the charts all since yesterday and then boom, straight into a trade. So I'm happy I didn't rush into that trade. It's whatever. There'll be 14 pips somewhere for us at some point today or tomorrow to make up for it. Or this one, I mean. This was like 20 pips, 22 pips on that 30-minute candle. The GJ one, not bad. Nice hourly celery play too. Celsius gang. I'm drinking a kiwi guava. Nice. Costco for the win. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, who said that?
Austin.
I knew it was gonna be his ass on that.
He's on to it.
Celsius. Dude, I don't know. I've never had one.
Yeah, I don't know. I got some excess coming. I think I'm gonna be ditching these. Just got
The hype train's over.
a better alternative than this.
Same. Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
Where'd Tandy go? Tandy dipped out? Alright, but.
Yeah, he had to go clean his shorts.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, he shit himself. Didn't you hear him?
Oh, shit.
That's what he said. He said someone almost rear-ended him in the car.
That's funny. He's like, yo.
He said the guy ran off the road, too, into a ditch. I mean, I could literally be capping, but
No way.
I'm 100% sure that that is 100% what he said.
Is that what he said? Damn.
I swear. He said something about, dude ran off. Bro, this guy's not even on the road. And then he goes to shut his camera off. I was like, damn. I
Damn,
don't know. Let me
bro.
rewind the stream, bro. I'll rewind.
People wilding out too early in the morning. What's going on? Oh, dang. People at Celsius wondering why their sales are taking a jump this month. Yeah, we're promoting them on stream. I guess they should send us a check.
No, for real, they should.
See, Excess sends me a check. Celsius doesn't, so. And Excess is a lot healthier than Celsius. And they got 12-ounce cans now. Come on. Donald, hello. What's going on? Welcome, welcome.
Bro, when you sent me that, I was like, let's go.
What?
The Access, they got a bigger can size drink.
Oh, word. My girlfriend took my Celsius. Life changed. That's funny. He said someone almost rear-ended him and had to go off a ditch or something. Damn, dude. Oh, Tandy went off in a ditch? No way. I gotta make sure my boys are right.
The guy behind him.
Oh, the guy behind him.
He like had to swerve out of the way because he's coming up on Tandy so fast. He had to swerve out.
Oh.
So he didn't rear end. I don't know. I'm trying to find it right now.
I think he'd be alright. I think he'd be good.
And he coming back, and I'm like making crazy ass.
Guy behind him went in the ditch. Damn. Hey, yo. Hey, chat. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. When we get there, we're about to be there this week. So we're gonna be picking the winners of these 20K accounts. 2 people are getting 20K challenge accounts. So if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel for your chance to not only change your life with our stream, plug in, learn our system, trade with us, but we're gonna be doing a giveaway here. So depends on when we get these 1,000 subs. We're about 120 away, so we're almost there. We are almost there. I remember we were talking about this at 300 or 400 subscribers. So appreciate you guys growing with me. It's you know, the growth is all because of you guys, right? I'm just here. You guys are plugging in. You guys are finding value here. So love it, man. Love the fact that the community is growing. The Discord is popping. So many people in there. So many traders doing their thing in there, and it's good to see. You know, I went to give my analysis, and Red FX already had it in there for the Asian session. So I was like, man, perfect, right? He's also, you know, what is he doing? He's coming to the stream every day. He's, you know, putting in the work afterwards. You guys see him sending his lunch, right? And he's watching the stream. He's rewatching the stream, right? I remember when I was learning from Raja, when I was learning from Don, I'd be on the stream, and then I'll rewatch the stream over again because I wanted it that bad. And I wanted to learn. I wanted to know. I wanted to duplicate what they were doing, right? It's a duplication business, right? Mentorship is a duplication business, and just take that mentorship and run with it. Take the advice, take the education, and run with it. And he had a perfect analysis. So I was like, I don't even need to put my 2 cents in here. So appreciate you, Red FX. He's an OG, yeah. So yeah, I love to see you guys in the Discord, just helping each other out, talking with each other. You guys know I'm usually sleeping during London session, but it's amazing to wake up and take a look at what you guys are doing, and yeah, it's admiring. So shout out to all you guys trading the Asian and the London session and going back and forth with each other and helping each other out, and you guys are spot on. So just keep it up. Just keep it up.
Yeah, I found it, but yeah, what he said was true. It's like if you rewind the stream, I think it's like 16 But it was funny because you started turning the sound down, like it popped up, like you were hitting the button.
Oh yeah.
MacBook right when he starts talking, man.
Oh, okay, yeah. I didn't want you guys to go deaf again when I opened up my magic keys there for GJ.
Yeah, that's what it was. I'm pretty sure because I heard the magic keys.
Yeah, man. So sub to the channel, guys. Like the stream. We got like close to 100 people watching. If you guys could like the stream and sub to the channel, man, get up in here. We have the free Discord as well, so jump in here, and when we pick the winner, or the two winners I should say, we're gonna have a little friendly competition going on. So we're gonna give 2 people 20K challenge accounts, and we're gonna watch, right? So we're not gonna watch you like every single trade, but we want updates, right? We want to have a nice update, and yeah, I believe in whoever's gonna get these accounts, they're gonna be able to get funded with them, and it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be exciting. So, and it's gonna be a random pick, 2 random picks, but you gotta be sub to the channel in order to win. You have to be in our Discord, and you have to be following me right here on Instagram. And we will see you at 1,000 subscribers. What must I do? Hold on. 2 people? Yeah, so we were originally gonna do 1 person, but we figured we'd spice it up a little bit and do 2 people, so that way we could have some friendly competition going on there. I think that'll be pretty fun. It really is amazing how we have grown. Yeah, it is. Not surprising though, right? I remember when there was 15 people on the stream, and I told you guys we'll be growing like never before, right? We're all in on this. We know what we're doing on the charts, and we know the value that we could provide, and you know everyone's loving it, right? Because we're growing, so it's good to see.
Growth is so beautiful.
Life is growth, right, Johnny boy?
Yes, sir.
The first day I was here, there was around 300 subs. Loving the content and growth since then. Yeah, appreciate you being here from 300 subs, man. Yeah, we're moving along. Pretty soon we'll be at 1,000, then 3,000, then 10,000, then 20,000. So life is growth, baby.
Yep.
Can I be eligible for the giveaway even though I'm not in the USA? Yeah, absolutely, of course. 100%. 100%. 90 people watching, 49 likes. Yeah, like it up. There we go. 55, 54. Gold. What about it? What about gold? Gold, we should get a 1-hour close here. How will you know if we have met the requirements? Our usernames vary from platform to platform. So you're going to have to just show me that you're in the Discord, show me that you're following me on IG, and I'll already know if you're subscribed to the channel. Pretty simple. Don't think that 1 hour will close bullish. Yeah, I guess not. No pullback for us. That's okay. GJ coming down to that support. Let's see, I think we would have got tapped at break even, because I wasn't going to close anything until at least 10. Got 10, 11 there. I remember when there was only 5. Yeah, man. There was only 5 people in the chat with us here. XAU Goblin, another day in the market. Yeah. The Goblin's here, baby.
Some Goblin.
He's here. Goldie. 4 hour just ripped, man. Right off the jump. Made a beautiful top wick. Wow. Very nice. Thankful to say I was here in the beginning before this channel blows up. Love this community. Yeah. Appreciate you guys that were here from the beginning. Appreciate you guys that are here now, because it's still the beginning, right? It's just the beginning. So we have the NY Open coming up here in 5. 5-minute candle closing bullish. 15-minute rejected, never broke the low. Yeah, NY Open may pull us back up, and NYSE may drive us back down. We will see. You may get some 30-minute candles like pop up, pop up. Then possible resistance. And then we could take our sells from here. But we'll see. We got to see it first. The wobblins in the building. Also, guys, I have the Time to Eat Elite 8-week mentorship program opened up. We sold, we got 4 seats filled out of 10, so there's 6 left. This is a group that I'm putting together, one-on-one mentorship over 8-week time frame, and really diving in one-on-one, and also gonna have some group sessions as well. But yeah, we'll be diving in. If you've been struggling a bit, or you just, you know, trying to get to that next level in your trading, hit me up. We have 8 spots open. We opened the spots yesterday, so 4 of those spots are taken already, but we do have 6 left. So if you guys are interested in that, hit me up. You can hit me in the DM on Instagram here, or just message me in Discord, and I'll get you some more info on that. But yeah, bleeding, baby.
Still going.
Still going.
Pound yen needs to pull up a little bit.
Are you Forex family Slack? No, I'm not in that. NY Open in 3 minutes. Oh yeah, you're talking about the NYSE Open. Yep. That's gonna be in an hour and a half. Yes. Correctamundo.
Yeah, I wonder if people still use that thing.
What? Oh, the Slack?
Forex family.
Oh yeah, I'm not too sure.
Bro, I haven't logged on to that thing in like 2 years, year and a half.
That's the
I don't even
original.
have Slack on my PC anymore.
I was never in that. I was never in that.
It was just like Rajah's first ever.
It was.
Course.
It was. Yep, that was his first kind of group that he was a part of.
I never really used that shit. Whenever it was there, I'd just be on his streams.
Yeah, same.
Because I paid for his, what do you call it? His course.
Market fluidity.
Or whatever. Yeah, market fluidity.
Yeah. Yeah, that was great. That changed the game for me. That and his 5-hour free course that he has on YouTube. Insane.
Right when I watched that, bro, my chain changed.
Not all of it, but I think I have.
I remember right after that, I showed my wife the can. I was like, watch this. I'm gonna enter this trade once this candle flips here, and watch it go up. And she was like, oh my god, how'd you know it was gonna do that? I'm like, you know, I'm an expert day trader.
Hey, that's what will happen after you watch the 5-hour course video.
Yeah, that was all new concepts to me. All this stuff that we do today was all new to me back then.
Does your wife think like trading's interesting, like at all?
Yeah.
Or she just kind of like.
Yeah, she thinks it's interesting. She's down with the get down.
I feel like I never met anyone who's like into it. Everyone's just like, I just don't get it.
Yeah, I actually taught her a little bit, and
Yeah.
I made her learn some, so she knew the basics. What up, Jay?
Yeah, I feel like I could never get anyone.
Bob and Jeff.
At least I not know.
What's going on, Jones?
Yeah.
What's going on YouTube?
What up, Jay Sniper? Man. Yeah, so you had the candle close bearish on GJ. We're kind of in this range here. Probably gonna wait for a close below at this point. Not much room to go here, right? We don't want to take a trade with 7 pip range here. So
No.
thank you. Come again.
Good morning.
Hey, yo, Uncle Scout.
Hey, Uncle Scout.
Morning.
Morning.
Morning. Yeah.
So
Start that shit already.
gold closed below here, but you have a support right here as well. So same thing as GJ, right? We're pretty much, you know, right at the not the bottom, but right near supports at this point, right? So gold's a little tough down here, folks. What's this range? This range may be cleaner. This is a 20 pip range, so that's not bad. But we have volume coming in, so we will we'll see. But gold's just been dropping here.
Yeah, wow, bro. I feel like it's just gonna keep going nuts.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be one of those days where like waiting for a pullback, and it's just like,
Right, yeah. It's just gonna keep going.
we're waiting for a pullback. Oh, it's
Gotta wait
coming.
for the setup, though.
No, it's not coming. Oh, it should be coming on this next candle. No, not coming on this one. Yep, and just all right. Call it.
The weekly
Call
doesn't
it.
break, but the cells are not going to keep going down.
Call
It's
it.
gonna be 2 inside bars to the top side. Put money on that.
Insure it, Jay.
Ensure weekly inside bars to the top. Watch.
All right, guys, hit the buy button and hold. Jay's
I
got
said
you.
based off
Jay's
the
got you
weekly,
covered.
Weekly. This is not for the newbies. You're gonna tell them to buy, and this shit keeps going down. It's like, well, they said it was buy. It hasn't come down to the weekly yet, my guy. What are you talking about?
Who wants to secure 800 pips right now? Let's get it. Hold it till Friday. Daily celery possibly here, but man, it gets rough, rocky waters here. Rocky. But daily lows are coming in. So I want to break the daily lows. If we could break these daily lows, I feel so much more comfortable in taking some sells here.
Yeah.
But if we don't break this low, right? Again, this candle, if we remove all this candle right here, this can come all the way down to here and respect that low, this low right here, and then push back up. So if we could break these daily lows here with the NY open, that'd be pretty good. And then you got this support level down here to tap into, but we're pretty low at this point. I want to see a pullback.
SoFi Bank and Apple are both paying 4.2% interest on their savings accounts.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I didn't know that's on the
Damn.
bank, but
You guys got some cash that you don't know what to do with. Park it there for a little bit, you know?
That's crazy.
until they
That's pretty-
crash the banks.
That's pretty
But
good.
imagine the banks crash in like 2 months from now, though.
Until they're like, yeah, we took your money and we had to bail some of the banks out with it. Give us 6 months. We'll get your 45 grand back. Don't worry.
Yeah, I feel like that's such a crazy move for
Yeah.
Apple to do something like that.
That's sketchy
they
to
got
me.
Especially
so
with, like-
much. They have so much fucking cash. They might as well.
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna say. Is that's their biggest thing is they have so much cash.
Yeah, I mean that's probably the main
So
reason why
much.
they're doing it.
Yeah,
Right.
They don't know what the hell. It's like the movie Blow. You ever
They
seen the
don't know what to
movie
do.
Blow? They don't know what to do with the cash.
Right. Might as well.
And they,
How will you know? Are you Forex fam? No. I didn't tell my wife about trading for the first year. Yeah, see me, I just basically tell my wife everything. Stop at 100 pips in profit. Hey, there you go. Diamond Hands from 1993. Oh, wow. Would love a dirty dive. Dirty dive. Yeah. Yeah, my wife's a rider, man, so she's all about it, right? So she's always supporting me and my crazy adventures and what I want to do. And today's our anniversary too, so we're chilling. So we're probably gonna
happy anniversary.
do something cool today.
Congratulations.
Got married 4 years ago, been together for like over 10 years now, so What a ride. What a ride it's been. 2 kids, new
So how
fam.
old were you when you guys met?
I was 22. So
That's
right now
crazy.
I'm 32. So yeah. Turning 33 here in May 5th. Coming up.
Yo, shout out Zena in the chat.
Who?
Zena.
Zena.
Zena. Funny story about Zena. So I'm going to. Where
Where's
am I
Zena?
going? I was going to, I think, Jamaica. I think I was going to a wedding in Jamaica, and I'm sitting by the gate, and I'm on TradingView, right? And I overhear someone talking about like, MetaTrader and on the challenges. I'm like, who's talking about this? Like, I never heard anyone talk about this. You know what I mean? And I look up, and this flight attendant is talking with like the captain of the plane about like how she has like these bots and like they're making her money like when she doesn't have to do anything. And so I'm like, all right, I'm going up to this person. Like, I'm approaching this person.
Oh.
So I just walk up to the flight attendant. I introduce myself. I'm like, we were just talking about, like prop firms and MetaTrader and all this shit, blah, blah, blah. And then we were just chopping it up. We exchanged information. And we've been talking like ever since about.
Let's go. Thin thread, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, that's dope.
Zena joined the community. She's on the stream right now.
Oh, welcome, Zena. Welcome. I did not see you in the chat. Where, Zena?
Shout out Zena.
Yeah, shout out to Zena. Welcome. If you guys, hey.
Zena lives in Florida.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Me too. Florida, good state. Yeah, that's dope, man. See, in life, things happen on thin threads, gang. Your life can change just by that one connection right there. That's why I'm always open to networking, meeting people, talking with people, because you never know, right? You never know who you're gonna bump into. You never know who you're gonna meet, and that's why I love like the community and the internet too, because man, I've met ton of people at this point. Ton of you guys, just met you guys through trading. So. Wow, yeah, shout out to Zena.
Shout out Zena.
Zena.
Shout out Zena.
Yeah, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, we got about 120 people watching right now. We are 8 away? I think we're 8 away from 900. There's got to be 8 people on the stream today, right now, that aren't subscribed to the channel. If that's you, this is your calling to go on, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and sub to the channel. And for those of you that don't know, we're doing a 220K challenge account giveaways once we crack 1,000 subs here. So push us closer so somebody can get their 20K challenge account. Happy anniversary. Hey, thank you guys. Appreciate that. I love that my wife is the same way. Yeah, men. You guys gotta find a real one, man. You guys gotta find a real one. So
Gotta find a rider.
the cool part about being in a relationship for so long is that my wife has been with me since we were down and out. Right? We all know, we both know we can struggle together, and if we can struggle together, we can succeed together. And the vision and the dream has always been forefront in our minds as a couple. And that's what keeps things together, man. You gotta have a dream. And man, your wife is gonna respect you, right? When you're willing to go out and hustle and provide for your family, you're gonna earn the respect of your wife. And when your wife respects you, man, just show her unconditional love, man. Actually, before she respects you, show her that unconditional love, because that's what she needs. And you should be grateful to have a good wife who you can, come home to and feel good about, your household. So.
See, I feel like that's so huge too.
Huge.
That like you guys met before.
Yeah.
Everything.
Before anything, yep.
So it's like.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's game changer.
We met right.
I'm jealous.
It's alright. You still young, right? So you still
I'm still young, but like this is the thing that I already got everything like with this in motion. So it's
Oh
like,
yeah, yeah. I see what you're saying.
you know what
Yeah,
I
yeah,
mean? Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Well, you gotta pretend. You
Like
got.
that's why.
Yeah, you
Okay,
can't
so like I don't know
pretend.
if you ever saw any of the pictures of my recent ex. I'm just gonna say real fast.
Nah,
But
nah.
like that's half the reason why. So I don't know. I broke up with her like February, beginning of February.
Gotcha.
But, like,
Recently.
I don't know. We did all kinds of shit. Like we were just in Tennessee like 2 weeks before that. But like, bro, I just felt like she was not on board with like this. So I'm like, I don't know. And then
Yeah.
I always like try to talk about it and that. She just kind of like brushed it off. I'm like, whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
Because it's just
Nah,
like,
I understand, man. It's trust me, it's a tough you know, it's tough to be married to a winner and a driver, you know, because you know that person's going to be chasing their goals. You know they're going to be pouring into other people. You know, one thing I love about my wife is she doesn't mind. Like a lot of the guys that I mentor and pour into, like that stuff takes time, you know, and she knows that there's a bigger calling, a bigger cause, you know, for that. But it is challenging as a spouse to you know, be together with someone who's gonna be, you know, chasing big dreams and big goals, right? Like I told her from the beginning,
Trying to
like,
grow and shit.
yeah, hey, like I have huge dreams, I have huge goals, I'm gonna take risks in life, you know, but if you're down for the ride, let's do this thing. So, and
So
she
you have
was,
to do that before any relationship you start.
yeah, man,
You gotta set that boundaries and expectations of
yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like,
yeah, you have to. Communication, man. Communication's
Like,
key, especially you men.
yeah.
Women don't need help with that. It's the men that need the help. That's why it's called mentorship. Women are good
But
communicators.
Once you find that next rider, yeah, but once you find that next rider, you gotta snag her up.
Don't let her go, Sam.
yeah, we'll see.
We'll see. We'll see. Happy
We'll see.
anniversary.
Yeah,
Oh,
so I'll be on bullshit.
hey, and at the end of the day, you got to be on your game too, right? It's not just a one-side thing.
Oh, I know. That's not what I mean. Let me decide. So for the longest time, I've also been like, I don't know. I was always for one of the persons that's like, I was just against having a Tinder or anything like that. And
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know. It's just like, I'm not even saying this on like, but I've never like really needed it. So it's like, I don't know. But then I got it. I'd just be on it, like just saying whatever, bitches. I'll be like, I'll try to have a conversation with one, and like I'll say something like, what did I say to this one girl? I said something to her, and then like she's kind of ignored me and like just send me a selfie. She thinks she's cute, so I just was like, you're ugly, you know that?
Damn, this guy. Ruthless.
But I don't care. A lot of it's crazy. If you would talk to some of these females that are my age, bro, they need humble. So I will be the one that's fucking humble.
They need Jesus, man. They need Jesus.
I don't. Yes,
I really do.
need Jesus. They need a lot of it.
We all do. That's the light of all men. Without him, there's no light in you. Just think about that.
You'll get me on a goddamn rant talking about women.
He
I
came
love-
as the light of all men and women. If you don't have him, you don't have the light. Interesting.
Can't live with him, can't live without.
Sam, what are you drinking over there?
Liquor? No, I'm kidding. Chocolate.
Damn, futures trader
That's my
had his 16th year anniversary. Wow.
dude. That's the best milk out there.
Nah, he's got that dolphin milk. Don't let him fool you. It's just in that container.
You got some dolphin milk.
Thank you. Love the live streams. Thank you, Joe, for putting me on here. Oh yeah, Zena, you're welcome. Yeah, you're more than welcome. Pull up every day. Every day. Flight attendant, huh? Yeah, I always wondered how it was like to be a flight attendant. I have a friend who she's a flight attendant. I think she enjoys it. Seems pretty cool to travel around. I remember when I was younger, I was thinking about working on a cruise ship. Traveling around. The smallest conversations can change your life. Yes, sir. TTG, hello. What's going on? I went to Wesley Chapel the other day and ate at Ford's Garage. What a cool place. Bit pricey though. Hey, Forex trader. You were in Wesley Chapel? I know exactly where Ford's Garage is. 20K FTMO account. It'll be on my Forex Funds account. You're very blessed with your wife. Yes. I am. GJ retraced. Yep. Same here, Sam. Why me and my recent ex, bro? She was on board. So supportive. Yeah, you gotta have a supportive spouse. How do we enter the giveaway? Subscribe to the channel. So that's the first thing. So if you guys aren't subbed to the channel, subscribe to that. And join the free Discord. Maybe one of the mods right here can put the Discord link in the chat. And follow me. This is my Instagram down here. So follow me on Instagram. Right here. Don't fall for the fake pages either. A lot of fakies. A lot of brokies out there.
It's crazy how many scammers there is, bro. I
Ridiculous.
swear, they work harder than the damn devil.
Bro, I had to take, yeah. I don't even want to keep talking about that. But yeah, so don't fall for the fakes. Mine is right here. ITSNICKSTEWART with it 1 underscore at the end. That's it. Oh, I'm actually a pilot. Oh, snap. Well, maybe we could work an arrangement out where I'll help you in your trading and you help me fly planes.
Yeah, he'll need a pilot for his PJ.
Yeah, oh, that's true. That's true.
I got you.
Now it's a waiting game on gold, I think. Yep. Yeah, we're going to need this retracement here. So maybe we get it up here. Maybe we get it over here. We don't know yet. But, told you not, but don't budge on these cells here. We got a support right there, support right here. We need a retracement. If we're going to get it, when's it going to happen? Probably NY open, right? So GJ as well. Remember, we are bullish here based off the daily and on gold as well. So we're just playing a waiting game here. Out at 101 pips. Good day, fellas. Good day, KinFX. Congratulations, man. Congrats. Appreciate you, Green. There's the link to the Discord, guys, so you guys could jump in there. Can you look at USD Chef? Hey, what are we? 6 away from 900 here. Can we get 900 subscribers like right now? Can we get that in like the next minute? I think we can. I know there's 6 people that aren't subscribed to the channel. You know what? I'm pouring a blessing on y'all. The next 6 people, man, I'm praying huge blessing in your trading today.
I can never figure out.
Receive it. Subscribe to the channel to receive the blessing. Oh, man. Oh yeah, what am I talking about? I'm not even doing proper math. My bad, boys. I don't know what I'm looking at here. Hi guys, silent watcher here from Italy. Oh, appreciate you coming by, Chris. Yeah, my bad guys. I don't even know why. I thought we were at 94. We're at 54.
Yeah.
But there's still 6 of you right now on the stream. And you're not subbed.
Still hit 900 today.
Yeah, we're still hitting 900 today, man. Yesterday, I think we got like 70 subs. So I think we had a couple people dip off because we were calling them a wussy. But at the end of the day, man, like if you can't follow your trading plan, like it is what it is. You're just not built for it, man. You could prove me wrong. That's amazing. I would love to see it, but as of right now, if you can't stick to the trading plan, you're just not built for this, man.
You'll never find a successful trader who doesn't like stick to their plan and have success, you know?
Yeah, just think about that. If you want to be a successful trader, and every successful trader, long term, sticks and has a trading plan that they do not deviate from, why deviate from your trading plan?
Fair.
Right?
And why waste your own time? You know?
Professionals don't do that.
If you want to gamble, there's DraftKings, FanDuel.
Yeah, go to the casino.
I'll play you poker.
Don't waste your time here on the charts, you know? If you're not going to be consistent with yourself, follow your plan. And just be disciplined, patient.
Yeah, it's one thing to make mistakes. It's another thing to continue to make those mistakes over and over and over again.
Yeah.
Like, this is your sign right here. If you're listening and you're hearing me talk, this is your sign. Yes, you're breaking your trading plan. Stop that, man. Just stop it. That you're not displaying professionalism. Don't worry about the money. Don't worry about the move, right? The money comes secondary to following your plan in this game. If you want long term, if you want to hit it big, maybe 1 week or 1 month, all right, go ahead. Take those impulse moves, trade news, do whatever you're doing. But if you're looking to secure a long-term business here in trading, then just get on board now. Just get with it. That it's because the thing is, you're not going to see the success that you're after until that happens. You're not going to see it by just chasing moves. You're not going to see it by tapping into streams and just doing what he's doing or doing what he's doing. You have to have a plan in place.
Yeah.
And until that plan's in place, you'll keep running around in circles.
Yep. You being consistent, disciplined, patient comes before the money. So once you start doing that, then you'll start getting your rewards.
Yes. I think we spoke about this yesterday, right? You don't make money and then become a professional. Right? You don't all of a sudden hit your dreams and goals and then become disciplined on the charts. These are things that are pre-success. Right? If you want to be successful, you got to do these things first. And you can't look left, you can't look right, you can't worry about what this guy's making. Uncle Scalp made $500 million yesterday. You can't be worried about that. You got to stay in your lane, focus on your account, focus on your plan, focus on your trading, and that's when things are going to start to switch for you. I talk to guys all the time, and all the time they message me and they tell me, bro, ever since we've really gotten disciplined on the plan and with our trading and waiting for candles to close and waiting for entries, we have seen almost instant improvements in our P&L. So if that's something you guys are struggling with, I'm telling you, get a plan, stick with it. If you like our plan, if you like our system, just say it right now. Hey, I'm gonna trade with these guys. I'm gonna learn what they're doing. And don't have an ego, because I'm so grateful that I did not have an ego when I was on Don's stream and when I was on Raja's stream. And I put my ego aside and I said, I'm not gonna take a trade unless it's a trade they're taking for the next 3 months. And I'm going to learn the nuances. I'm going to learn the in and outs of why they hold off on trades, why they don't take certain trades, why they do take certain trades, what they're waiting for, what the little nuances of that strategy is, because I seen that they were winning, right? And I'm always looking to follow a winner, and I want to learn how they did what they did. So I'm telling you, if you're in that stage of your trading, which I know a lot of you are, just get disciplined, man. Get disciplined like your life depends on it, because it really does.
Yep, you're an individual. It's all up to you. Once you start doing what the professionals do, you'll become that professional. So it's all up to you. Whenever you want to start to do it and you start doing it, you'll see the results.
Yeah.
You'll see your trading change.
Yep.
You'll take that next level.
You want to hear something interesting? I was listening to a podcast and they were interviewing the owner of a trading firm, and here's what he said about his guys that are consistently getting payouts month after month, year after year. They looked at these people's accounts, they looked at their trades, and they noticed, and he said, I don't want to say they only take one setup, but they kind of only take one setup. Like, they only have a small playbook of setups. You don't see them swing trading one trade, scalping another trade, impulsing on one position, waiting for a closure on the next position. No, you see them doing the exact same thing almost every single time. For those of you guys who have been on this stream for over a month or 2 months, you guys are saying in your mind, they do the same thing every day. Like, we don't change things, right? If the markets do the same thing every day, why would we try and switch up? So it's all about having that little small playbook of setups that you like to take, that you have proven data on that actually works, and don't jump outside the box, man. Don't deviate from it. If you know that works, you stick with that. Don't worry about what this guy, get off of all those discords, man. You don't need to be in 100 discords, 100 telegrams, 100 Facebook chat groups. Like, just, man, narrow it down to one that you enjoy, one that you like best, one that's gonna make you feel good, and stick with it.
Yeah, definitely, for sure. That was like one huge mistake I was doing. Like, I was like, yeah, if in multiple discords, then I'll have a higher chance of succeeding, but actually it just hurts you. Like for example, like yesterday, we took a nice position, and we all made money, but then on Don Vo's stream, you know, he broke even. So like, how you gonna follow two at once when two people traded, you know,
Right.
they trade similar but different. You know, everyone has their own way of doing things.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you would have been on our stream looking at taking positions, and then he wouldn't have been taking a position. So you're like, wait, what do I do? You know,
Yep.
so you can't do that.
Yeah. And then you're confused. And what do you do when you're confused? Nothing.
Right.
Yep.
Zero. You just procrastinate.
Yep.
And then you feel bad. Right? Then you feel bad because now you're like, damn, I missed this move. I should have took it, or damn, I got it here.
Right, exactly. And then Don Vo, because he broke even, you'd be like, oh, this Discord sucks. Like, he didn't make money. And then, like, if we take a L tomorrow, you'd be like, oh, this Discord sucks.
Yeah, exactly.
That's not how it works.
And now you're just taking a bunch of trades on a bunch of different strategies, not even focusing about improving in your trading, but trying to just worry about the money, you know?
Right, you can't do that.
'Cause you're taking everyone's trades.
You stretch yourself too thin that way. Too thin. And this is a hard skill set to acquire, right? So you don't want to be chasing two birds, right? You don't want to be chasing two rabbits. What happens when you try and chase two rabbits? You catch neither.
Yep.
Right? You catch neither. And then you're just out there swimming in no man's land, wondering why am I not winning, right? Like, these guys are winning, why am I not winning? Because you're just stuck, right? You're just too confused. You don't know which one to do. I may be getting in, someone else may be not getting in, you know? So it's pick a side.
Yep.
Pick a plan. Not even pick a side, pick a plan, right? Because I got news for you. All those traders, they're all great traders, right?
Yeah.
They all have winning strategies. The problem is you can't make money with it because you're jumping from one strategy to the other, and the guys that you're watching are sticking with one system. So the sooner you can do that, the sooner you can get to where you want to be.
Yeah, exactly. Like, everyone's gonna take L's, you know? Doesn't mean that, you know, that it doesn't mean their strategy's flawed. Like, if anyone in this chat has ever had a sales job before, your boss has most likely told you about the law of averages. Like, it's gonna happen, you know?
Yep.
L's are gonna happen.
Yeah, man.
It's over time, sticking with it, doing the same thing every day. Over time, things balance out.
100%.
Sure. And trading's hard, man. Like, if it was easy, everyone would be doing this. Like, you would see everyone trading, but it's not. It's hard. So that's why it's so important that we become professional. We professionalize our craft and we focus on our strategies and improve. That's why it's so important to do that. I remember two and a half years ago, Nick told me, he was like, bro, are you really down for this shit? Because this shit ain't gonna be easy. Bro, and right from that jump, I was like, all right, bro, dialed in. And that's all we've been doing. Yep. So that's why it's very important to focus on improving in your strategy and your craft and start doing what the professionals do today.
Yeah. Yep. You want to be a pro? Do what they do. Hey, fellow streamer from Don and Raja. Nice. Me too. I am a fellow streamer from them as well. Wow, yeah. Austin, good work, man. Proud of you, bro. Goldie pullback. Yes, I believe
What's up,
so.
Austin?
All right, so gold closed above here, no bottom wick. Yeah, nothing we could do just yet. So we're waiting for GJ to close. Yeah, both candles. GJ is gonna be a little caught up, I believe, right now. You want to see pound yen close below the support. That'll also break the daily low, I believe. Re-break the low. Because right now, at any point, GJ could pull back up and go bullish. At any point. All right, as long as we respect the low here, this candle can continue riding up. And if the 4 hour is going to make a support, where would be the best place for that to happen? Probably right here. So we don't want to jump into GJ sells right now. You may see the next 4 hour candle look like this, and then a continuation. Because we are bullish here on based off the daily time frame. I watched Raja for about a month, was profitable for 3 weeks before I started dabbling in other strategies, started losing over since. Now I need to go back to what was working. Yeah, exactly. And we trade very similar to Raja here. Outside of the trading news and the impulse entries. I used to take impulse entries, did pretty well with them, but learned that I can cut a lot of losses out of my trading, and that's what we did. That's how we cut losses, is we cut impulse entries out. Goldie. Is this possible buy gold? Yeah, it's possible, definitely. Me, 30-minute candle close. We got no bottom wick, so that's why I'm not in. And plus we are waiting for a pullback.
You know what I realized, like, since 2019 when I first started this?
What's
There's
that?
a lot of guys on YouTube that I used to see, like, doing, like, those scam, like, oh, like, this winning strategy, buy my EA, and I don't really see them on YouTube anymore. Did you guys, there were so many people, like, that I used to see that got me into it that, you know, were obviously full of shit. Did you guys ever remember seeing that guy saying he was like the Lucky Charm trading strategy?
Nah, I never seen that one.
There was this one guy, he was selling like this EA, and I literally cannot find him on YouTube right now.
There's so much of that just come and goes.
Yeah. If there's anyone promising you to make you a whole bunch of money, promising you that, you know, they don't lose trades, just turn a blind ear to that, because everyone
really only
loses
gonna be a
trades.
handful of people in the end, like traders in the end on YouTube.
Yeah.
You know.
Yep. Well said, bro. Good morning, Pablo from Dominican Republic. Santiago's in the building. I remember. It's crazy. Everything you just mentioned has been heavy on my mind lately. Definitely needed to hear someone else say it. Yeah. And that's what the streams are for, man. Trust me, bro. Like, everything I say, I can say it because I've experienced it. I can say it because I've been there. All those little funny jokes I make, it's all because I've been played, right? I've been played by the markets before, and learned a lot. And I know the journey that it takes when it comes to successfully finding success in trading. So I completely understand. Overslept today. What did I miss? Oh my gosh, we caught a million gazillion pips. Just kidding. All you missed was 102 minutes. What happened in those 102 minutes? I guess we'll never know unless you go back. Santiago. Oh, damn. The boys are drinking today. Holy. Yeah, I like this one, and I like this one. This one, did I try that?
Yo, that's my chocolate milk I got.
There's the chocolate milk. There's really dolphin milk in here. Don't let him lie.
You
It might look like a cow, but it's a dolphin.
It actually is.
Oh, you never been to Costco, Sam?
Nah, I don't even know if they got one of them around here.
What
Let me
about
look
Sam's
it up.
Club?
Close. Yeah. They have one of those like 20.
Come on, you can't be named Sam and not go to Sam's Club.
Right? Wait, closest.
Yeah, Costco's lit. You need a card there though. I got a
They're all
Costco
down
card.
They're all down like in Pittsburgh, in the city.
Oh yeah, they're big. They're
They
like
open up
bigger.
10 of you.
Costco. GJ, look. Let's look.
They got a couple.
Yeah, there's really nothing
two
here
guys.
for me on GJ. We have a support like 9 pips away. So I wouldn't settle down for 9 pips. I'd rather the market push through here. And then we have clean traffic here to the left down till this area, right? What's that? 166. So instead of settling for 9 pips, I'd rather wait and take advantage of like a 50 pip range. But that's just me. That's just me, man.
I never realized how close Cuba is to Florida.
Yeah, bro,
Like,
right
until you,
there.
like, kind of zoom in on the map. God,
Pull up on a boat.
it's crazy, bro. I felt like you could. Can you see it from there? Probably not.
Yeah, let me get my binoculars
What?
out right now.
I was about to say, it's like you got a mile, bro. You could just stare at the edge of it. That'd be fun, bro. You just, I ain't gonna lie, you just trolled me, ass.
He's like, what?
Yeah,
Hey, this is
what?
perfect. This is what we talked about earlier. Remember how we want to price to push back up and get caught up in this range here, and find some resistance at this point. So we're right about there now. So I think we drew this out, right? We drew this out earlier. 2 30-minute candles push up, and then we possibly get this new 4-hour candle to close and create some sort of resistance here. And then 9:30 will be looking good to come back down if this plays out. But so far it's starting to play out a little bit. All right, I want to see this candle. Like that. But you're not in the buys? Nah, man. Remember we talked about this in the beginning of the stream. I will take my buys up here if anything. Wait, what are you guys looking at on Discord here? Oh, you guys are doing a private one. This guy says, does your boss know? What? Sam don't have no boss.
Nah, he's talking about you.
Sam's, that's...
We got something going on here in the background.
Yeah, because I'm confused.
Yeah, we're talking about you. You're the boss.
Oh, I'm the boss.
Yeah, hold on. It's funny, hold on. Yeah, you're the boss, yeah.
Oh, FB, what's going on? Just want to stop by and say hi. You're amazing. Oh, you're amazing. You're a blessing. I'm happy to come across your channel. Please continue to provide knowledge for as long as you can. We need you. Oh, man. Appreciate you, FB. Appreciate you. When you say impulse trades, do you mean front running the trade? Front running the trade? Like when you are watching the pullback candle? No. So what I mean by impulse trades is, let's say that this bullish, let's say we're waiting for a buy above this area here, right? And this candle closes like this, below the range, and the next candle pushes up. This is an impulse entry. If you take that entry right there, that's an impulsive entry, because that's not an entry we would have taken, right? Because this candle closed below the range, right? And if this candle closes below, we know that there's a high chance that, you know, the next candle may not be able to drive, right? We need to wait for one more candle to close, and we have to see if that candle is going to close above. So if you're taking what I mean by impulse entry is, like, let's say it's volume time. and you're expecting volume to kick in, but you never got this candle to close above, and you just decide to take the entry right here, that's going to be where your impulse entry is at. Now, I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with that. I used to do those. People are successful at those. I just found that at the end of the day, they're more so of like a 50-50 trade versus like an 85-15 scenario. Makes sense? Cool, thank you. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, and again, guys, we have the Time to Eat Elite group opening up. We got 6 spots left, so we're filling up 10 spots for 8-week one-on-one mentorship program. If that's something that you're interested in and you want to learn more about the strategy, or you just want to learn how to be better on and off the charts, shoot me a DM or shoot me a message on Discord. We filled 4 spots, so we have 6 left, and we will be beginning May 1st, and we're going to be diving deep into the trading, into the psychology, into the mindset that it takes to not only win at trading, but win at anything you're doing in life. So if that's something you guys are interested, hit me, and as long as we still have spots available, I want to keep it to 10 because I want to really be able to pour in, right? I want to be able to give each individual one-on-one time. It's a lot of work for me, but I'm willing to do it. So, but yeah, we're not trying to go 20, 30, 40 people. We want to keep it very small group, so it's very, very intimate and catered towards each individual. All right. See if we can get a 30-minute close. Oh, that's actually the new 4-hour too. So got a new 4-hour coming up here. Wow, not only was gold a bleeder, but GJ was a bleeder also. Gold rejecting that area very nicely. Perfect. Let's see what that looks like on the 15-minute. No bearish closures yet, but we are coming into this area we discussed early this morning. This is that area that we're looking to find that resistance to be formed at, so we can continue down here. Right, we discussed this very early in the morning on the top-down analysis, so looks like it's starting to reject this area pretty nicely. All streamers today indirectly begging for candles. Is trading hardly profitable? Begging. What are we doing? How are we begging? We're just waiting. You gotta wait, right? Trading requires a plan and not deviating from that plan. So it's not that we're begging candles to do anything. We're just waiting for the plan to set up. The logical plan that we created early in the morning. Is trading hardly profitable? If you could stick to your plan, it'll be profitable. If not, it's still profitable. It's just gonna wait for you to stick to your plan. All right, not bad. Gold pullback, yeah. Gold's pulling back here. Let's see what that daily looks like. Daily's flipping bullish. We talked about this already. 4 hours flipping bullish. Sheesh. If we get a close above here on the 30-minute, this would be my ideal position for buys. And some of you guys already know what I'm gonna say. You get a close above here on this 30-minute candle, right? Next candle closes bearish above. And what do you know? We have our celery play, ladies and gentlemen. So we get this. I'll be open to take buys here. Oh, candidates. I thought you said candlesticks. Yeah. Definitely not begging. It's honestly a lot of work for me. So
did you see the thing I put on my story, Nick, the other day? It was like, at Raja Banks, is this you?
Nah, I didn't see that one.
Oh, never mind.
Nah.
Well, he liked it and saw it, and then he waited a whole day for whatever reason and just sent me a voice note.
Oh, that who, Raja? You gotta play it. He doesn't need to stream for mentorship to make money. Yeah, I was doing perfectly fine. No, I am not offended whatsoever.
What videos did I send him?
Just waiting. We have to do half the time. Let trades come to us. Yes. Yes, sir. Just let the trade come. My bad. I thought you said candlesticks. Candidates. I need candidates. Still holding from 1977.
I don't even remember what I sent to him, but
beautiful.
Anyways, hold on.
No Rolls Royce and I'm here right now. Oh yeah. So you said Raja sent you a voice message?
Yeah, well, cause I posted something on my IG the other day, and I was just like, "Is this Raja Banks?" And it's like some Indian guy saying something. Or not Indian, mate. I forget what the hell he was saying. But... Oh, I gotta find it.
All right, so if we do close above here, I'm gonna wait for a celery play here.
Let me tell you.
Tell me.
Then I'll explain what I was talking about. That's why I just went so sidetracked. I was trying to think of two things.
We're closing nice. We might be closing nice on GJ too.
We need a pullback here on gold now. Now we need a.
You think gold looks better than GJ?
Let's see here. Both looking clean, ladies and gents. Both looking clean. Might have to take a double trade. I know some of you guys are in double trades all the time. GJ looking mint. Will you go for buys after the 30-minute? If you look left, there is some rejection. Resistance not really that clean. Traffic maybe pull down into the range. Let me see. The only way I'm taking buys on gold is if we get a celery play at 9:30. So I am open, but daily candle's bullish now too. Remember what we talked about here, chat. As long as we don't break the lows, we can flip up at any point and continue up. So let's see what happens here. Now buy? Yeah, sure. Gold to the moon. Gold to the Zoom land. We're gonna see gold hit Zoom land. Tandy. Gold's gonna go on Zoom. He's gonna be in Sam's bedroom here, or his office room.
What is?
Look at the YouTube. Gold's gonna be in your room.
Oh! I hit live and I see a massive. That's crazy.
GJ looks good for sells. Yeah, it does.
I bet Jay is in these from the bottom.
Oh yeah, Jay's in from 1977, no doubt about it.
No, I'm not gonna lie, I scalped 20 pips.
Nice.
I closed it.
Unfortunately, this thing took off way too fast.
Oh.
You didn't get
bottom like this, but it didn't do it.
I got mine at 805.
Hey, we only need 40 now for 900. Yo, you know what? I got some voice messages with Raja too, bro. I got some funny. I had Raja cracking up. I had him laughing, bro. I forgot what I said because the message went away.
Yeah.
But
I sent him a video. Like, apparently I sent him videos. But the last video that I sent him was December 9, 2021. So that's literally like 2021. I have no clue I sent him, but he's just like, hey man, I did
just saw the videos he sent me. That's amazing.
That's amazing.
Thank you so much for the kind words, brother. I really.
But I don't remember what the hell I sent him and he's definitely not talking about what I.
Me neither, bro. I had this dude cracking up. Listen to this.
Yo. That's
I don't know what I sent him, but he was laughing.
I love him, bro.
Yo, he's the GOAT, man.
Oh, and I'll send you what I.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Honestly, when I do live streams,
This was on my story. I think I sent you. Yeah. That was on my story yesterday. He saw it and liked it. I wish he would have reshared this thing. That shit would have had me laughing so hard.
But I can't wait to meet him.
It's just some like Pakistan dude holding money.
Word.
Tandy.
My boy.
Tandy's in the
what's
house.
good?
Tandy.
I miss you a lot.
I miss you guys,
Yo.
dude, more than anything.
Tandy.
How's that other guy's car, bro?
Oh yeah, word. What
Oh,
happened?
yeah, I don't know. I didn't know. Nothing bad happened, I guess.
Okay. Yeah. Right after that happened, you just drove off and minded your own business.
Yeah, I mean, nothing happened in my car, so we kosher. But you should be seeing more of me on these streams. So
There you go. Tandy's fucking not leaving. He's not fucking leaving.
I am fucking leaving. I'm fucking leaving for sure.
You ain't leaving the stream
Oh
though.
man,
You
they
ain't
try to
leaving.
sell me, bro. They try to sell me. They're so good at it, dude.
So what happened, bro? You dipped out or what?
Yeah, I mean, I pretty much they wouldn't let me just leave. They were like, just take a day. Don't say you quit. Just take a day. And I'm like, okay. But they're pitching me on it, saying like, regardless if I want to be successful in life, I'm going to have to do exactly what I'm doing right now. And I'm like, dude,
That gig you started isn't working out.
I don't think I have
His-
it in me to be that emotional seller.
No. His value exceeds that real estate office. His passion and value, and it exceeds that. He's not meant to be there. That right there is gonna put a cap on him. And God didn't make him to have a ceiling. God made him to fly.
I'm
So
not meant to trade,
like-
bro. I don't know.
yeah.
what
Like,
you're
dude,
talking about.
I went through this, like, you guys saw it with trading, went through the gnarliest downs and the highest highs, bro. But at the end of it, I've realized that you can't chase the money and you gotta love trading. And that's what it's turned into. I fucking love trading.
Yes.
And that's why I picked up this job, was for trading. So
Yeah.
my heart was never in this, bro. Like,
yeah.
I was swinging for the fences to make trading better.
Yeah.
But like when I did network marketing and I had to call people, I still had that fire in me.
Yeah.
And with this, I just don't, man.
Why don't you just take a job where you don't need to be so invested, or like you know what I mean? Like something where like, you know, you just go there, do your thing, and you leave, and you don't have to be super, you know what I'm trying to say?
Invested into it and make my whole life revolve.
Something
around
that doesn't
it. Like,
require a lot of your energy, like something just go do it just to get you by while you're pursuing
Exactly.
trading, you know?
And not
Like
miss the
something
trading session too.
Do something like that.
yeah.
Yeah. Something you could do around trading.
I get like being an entrepreneur is a 24-hour job, bro, and I want that so bad. I don't know if it's with people that are having issues with their financial life and persuading them into selling me their property. I don't see it being that.
Yeah. Whatever it is, your heart's not in it, and if your heart's not in it, it's 100% not worth it. No job is worth it at the end of the day. Like Uncle Scalp said, and like I told you, you know, like find something where you don't have to be so invested, where you can just make the money that you need to make during the week, you know, to pay for the things you have to pay for, and you can build, you know, you can still trade, right? It's something that you can do around your passion. You know, I think that's gonna be the best bet for you, bro.
Yeah, I'm steadfast on that now, dude. Like, I am not going to derail from my actual feelings, how I feel, and where I want my life to end up. And I know it's trading. So anything that pulls me away from that, I just don't want to do it.
Yep, 100%, bro.
Hell
I'm
yeah,
proud of you,
man.
bro.
Hell yeah.
And here's the deal. Most men are they're gonna conform. They're not willing to risk, right? Temporary, you know, challenges and temporary risk for instant paychecks, right? My mentor used to tell me, what you're gonna do when you sign a salary is they're gonna give you a price, and that price is to buy your dream. They're gonna buy it from you. They're gonna take it from you. $60,000. Most men today in America will sell their dream for $60,000 a year plus medical benefits. So don't let it be you, right? If you know what your calling is, if you know what your goals are, and you know crystal clear, then man, don't settle. Don't settle. Because in 2-3 months, 4 or 5 months, you're gonna look back and be like, I'm so happy I did not settle. I'm so happy. I would have been stuck in that office, miserable day after day, week after week. And now look at me. Now look at me. I'm whatever, you know. You fill in the blank. You fill in the blank with what your 3 to 6 month goals are.
Yeah, it's official, bro. I feel it in my heart, so I'm gonna make this work. I'm excited to be back on the charts with you boys, and bro, this year is gonna be fucking insane.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We got a bleeder.
We got a bleeder. Love
Got
it,
a
Tandy.
bleeder.
Proud of you, buddy.
Thank you.
It's these tough decisions, man, that make you.
Yeah. Just thank you so much for being there, all of you guys. You guys are phenomenal people, and couldn't ask for better people.
Love you, Tandy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, Tandy.
Oh yeah, buddy.
I don't have the YouTube pulled up, but I know Scott's probably saying some stuff, and I appreciate you.
Of course, Sandy, let's get it, boy.
Yeah, he is. He said he's proud of you, brother.
Definitely. He said he's hyped for you. Yeah. And you know what's funny? Don't think that you can't relate to anyone, because like Scott said in the chat, Nick just spoke to me about this last night, bro. So you guys are in a similar boat, right? You're not out there all alone neither of you are out there all alone on an island, right? You guys, that's the best part about having a community and some people and some men to talk to, because, you know, an average guy is going to tell you, quit trading, it's too risky, go ahead, you know, be miserable, sit in the office, do what they tell you. But we're not going to tell you that. We're not going to tell you that, because we know that you can crack the code, because we've cracked it.
We're not going to tell you that, but, you know, some other people, someplace else might.
It's gonna be lazy bums, dude. That's like the rest. They all are. It's gonna be like, yeah, bro, I think it's a little kind of hard.
Yeah.
And they go back to their mindless bullshit.
Yeah. And it's honestly, it's one of those conversations that I used to kind of tread lightly on, but at this point, what I've seen in my own life is, dude, we've cracked the code, and you can crack the code too, and you don't have to live by whatever society's telling you. People are having a job just in the name of having a job. Meanwhile, they could like deliver freaking pizza and make more money and then be miserable at, you know, their office job. So conformity is not a thing we do around here, and you guys will hear that very quickly. We're very, very big on freedom, and freedom is, you know, not being trapped in a cage, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Honestly, bro, if it was me, I have a day job too, but I work completely remote, so I'm lucky enough to be able to do that. But if it wasn't for that job, honestly, bro, I'd be trading New York session the way I do, and then like driving Uber all night. That's what I would do.
Man. That's what I told Tandy.
I know Uber drivers making like fucking, no joke. Like, I talk to them sometimes. I know Uber drivers making like $5,000-6,000 a month.
Yeah, dude.
Like
crazy, bro.
Like that could get you by. That could easily
There's
get
so many
you
other
by.
things.
You're not in. You don't have to be invested. Yeah, there's so many other things too. But like, you know, you don't have. It's something that like, you know, you don't have to be emotionally invested with. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's what I want to do. I want to just like cruise control through my job, how bad that sounds, but I just want to focus on trading and then just start, man, opening up my own businesses and stuff.
Yep.
And I know I can do exactly what I was doing at that job all by myself. There's no qualification that I need. I don't need a real estate license to do all that. I literally just need to find a bank that will loan me $300K and I'll fucking buy a house and then I'll go and sell it. Like,
That's it.
It is what it is.
All right, boys. Let me just break this down here because we do have a 4-hour close. So we have a 4-hour closure here on gold, right? So it looks like we've closed above on the 4-hour time frame with a pretty nasty rejection here. We're closing above this level. The daily has flipped bullish again. So we are bullish on the daily. We are bullish on the 4-hour. We are bullish on the 1 hour. We're bullish on the 30-minute here. So what I'm looking to do is I'm probably going to wait for a 30-minute celery play here. So if we can get a 30-minute celery right here, a candle that closes above this support here to the left-hand side, then we could expect to see candles push up, right? You guys notice every time we closed above, we pushed up, closed above, pushed up. So we're closing above now. I'm not gonna jump off the rip here. I'm gonna wait for either a 15-minute candle to close or a 30-minute candle to close. Remember, look at the time. We have a new 4-hour. Let's let this 4-hour open up, do its thing. We have NYSE open, so we have a lot of volume dumping into the market here in the next 20 minutes or so. So we've waited this long. Why don't we wait for the best and most profitable entry that we could find? And at this point, it's going to be a 30-minute candle closing, just how it is right now. So if we can get the 30-minute candle to close just like that above this range, I will look to take buys as we continue pushing up here based off the daily. We'll keep stops below this 30-minute low. Entry is going to be at the break of the high, or you can maybe enter off the rip on the open of the candle. I'll probably be taking entries at the break of the high, but not budging on anything just yet in the open of this 4-hour candle. We may flutter, right? We may just flirt up and down here for a few and then wait for that volume to come in. So we've seen this hundreds of times. So we're going to wait for something that we know we have a very, very high win rate on. And that's going to be this celery play here at 9:30. So that's the deal on gold. If you guys got to use the bathroom, take a shower, get your breakfast, do whatever you got to do, you have about 20 minutes or so. We got to wait for this candle here to close. So that's gold. And GJ, let's take a look at GJ here. GJ closed below, so not bad. Clean traffic to the left. Looks like you got somewhat of a top wick. I'm gonna wait for gold here though. I'm gonna wait for gold and try and get this celery play. But GJ's pretty clean as well. You broke the lows already. You got about 20 more pips on the way down. Should be good if you take entries here. The only problem is you only have a 10 pip stop, which is, it can get tapped, right? This candle could pull back up and make a steeper top wick. So I would have to put my stops up here, which is like 57 pips, 50 pips. So yeah, so if GJ drives, it drives. I want to see gold close up bearish above this range here. That's going to be the money play. And if we close below, we're most likely coming back down now. So this is probably our retracement, and we can continue down. But this candle, this 30-minute candle, tells us a lot. It's got a lot of information on it. So let's be patient. I mean, that could be subjective depending on the person's goals. Yes, you are right. Buys or wait? I would wait. News at 10 a.m. Yep, I'm activated in buys using current candle stops. Gotcha. No worries. Half risk. Bro, I love the way we trade. Yeah, we're going to wait. We're going to wait for this 30 because this 30 right here tells us everything we need to know about the price of direction when volume comes in. And if this 30-minute closes above, then there's a high probability that we'll continue up on the daily here today. Continue up here. But if this 30 closes below, right? Really below this level here, I would say. Then high chance that volume can push us back down, right? The way we were going. So, but we did close bullish on the 4 hour, so it kind of steers me away from the sells a little bit. I think a bottom wick right down here, and then that closure above is gonna be it's gonna be perfecto. Back to Tandy's personal life. No, I'm just kidding.
Nah, I appreciate you guys. It's all good.
Love you, bro. You already know that, man.
Yes, sir. No, I know.
And Tandy already knows that, and like Forex Trader said, it's very subjective, right? He already knows that I told him that I am a different breed, and I was willing, and I still am willing to do anything I have to do to basically stay out of a job and keep my freedom. And whether it's whatever it is that we got to do. So it is subjective, right? I'm a little bit different. My recommendations are going to be a little bit different than the average person, but remember what Steve Jobs says: it's the crazy ones, the ones that are crazy enough to think that they could change the world, that change it. So you got to have some bit of craziness in you, right?
Yes, sir.
If you want to do something big.
And that's who I feel like I relate to the most. That's why I kept on asking you more questions about it and how you kind of went about your whole job scenario and everything.
Yeah. The reason I was late to the stream today, you guys could blame Tandy because we were on FaceTime this morning. And that's why we missed out on the gold move. No, I'm just kidding.
Damn, bro. Damn.
Nah, there was no place I'd rather be besides on the phone with you.
I appreciate it.
Real life stuff.
Yeah.
Good positive outlook. Yes, sir. You either see the glass half full or half empty, my friends. All right, let me grab a bottle of water, and I'll be right back. Anybody want some water?
I'll take it.
I need milk, bro. I'm
I got dolphin milk on chill.
Finally, I can do those dolphin milk shirts.
Yeah. I'm water, toast, and tolerant, bro. I just drink fucking milk.
It's wild, dude. Your stomach doesn't hurt?
Hell no. No, I'm kidding. Of course I drink water, bro. Of course I drink water. Dude, Tandy, you actually had me nervous, bro. Dude, I was sitting there telling Nick about that whole thing, and I was telling it in the most craziest sounding way. I was like, bro, Tandy literally, he's like, Tandy's still here? And I was like, nah, he got off, bro. So, dude about got rear-ended 5 minutes ago. He's like, what? I started telling him this crazy ass story. He's like, are you serious? He's like, I didn't hear none of that. I was like, he turned down his thing so the magic keys wasn't super loud, I guess.
Oh yeah, I got off that, but then I hit up Jay on the Discord, a little bit more pep talks from my boys.
Mm-hmm.
So I knew what was coming, just had to get the emotions right,
Yes, sir.
But you'll be seeing more of me on these charts every single morning.
I miss you. I need my dolphin boy, bro.
Yo, facts, bro. Fucking gang.
I need my dolphin milk shirt.
And me and Tandy are gonna get a goddamn shirt press thingy going, where they got the big ass thing and it's 3 things going around and you boom. We're gonna be stomping them fucking shirts out all day long.
We're gonna be selling them joints at the FX Summit.
Yeah, we're gonna get them ready for that. I had 40,000 shirts.
40,000 shirts.
Yeah, some crazy shit.
Yeah, so just gotta sit tight, gang. Sit tight, wait for this candle to close, and we'll have all the information we need. Where's John? Is John still here? Yeah. John, John, we don't have the answers, right? The market has the answers. We just have the questions.
Yes, sir, that's it.
What question are we asking the market right now?
Are we gonna get buys above here or not?
Well, what are we asking the market about this candle?
Seller.
Can it close above?
Can it close above? So
Can it
guess.
close above that line?
Yep. And guess when the market will give us that answer? In 20 minutes. Until then, we have no answer. Right? The market has all the answers.
Deal or no deal?
Deal or no deal, Mr. Market? Deal or no deal? My price or no price? On my time or not at all?
Price is right.
If the price is right, we are in there. Nikolovsky's in the building.
Nikolovsky.
Bang! Nikolovsky.
You gotta add that goddamn Yoda to it,
Hey yo.
Hello, sir.
Long wicks. GJ bleed. Yeah, GJ's on the move here. Yeah, I figured that would happen.
For 3.
4-3, bang. Remember what we said about the closure below here? Got a nice close. Finishing the job. This candle's finishing the job. 25 pips, beautiful move. We're gonna make money or what? Are we gonna make money or what?
Of course we are, Nikolovsky. We have to.
Yeah, we got to, man. We got to. We all we got. If we don't make it, who's gonna make it? I'm about to just jump on a bunch of people's live streams and be like, yo, we gonna make money or what? Not even say hello, nothing. Just be like, yo, we're gonna make money or what here? Buy or
I
sell?
wonder if our boys still here. Nigga lucky.
He thinks it's
See if our
funny.
boys still here.
Gotta have fun, chat. Gotta have fun.
Bro.
Hey, what up, Tyler?
Morning.
Tyler still on? It's good, my dude. Hey, Tyler, we're waiting for the famous celery play here. We are waiting. Strictly to the point, facts. We making money or what? So if we get what we're looking for, I probably end up holding, man. I'll probably move stops to break even in this range right here, just to go risk free at that point, because we could always reject. But I wanna probably hold till this resistance. It's about a 60 pip move. It would make sense on the daily, right, for the daily to pump up. We don't know if it'll break the wick again, but if this is gonna pump, it should be able to pump up and see if it could break its own high. 4 hour looks clean, right? Where could the 4 hour possibly go? Where can we visualize this next 4 hour candle going, right? We've grabbed liquidity at this point. We've got the rejection, and now where does the candle go, right? So if we can imagine in our mind this candle possibly coming up, and if it does break through these wicks, you know, there's a high chance that this 4 hour candle looks something like this, closing above these highs. It's getting ready, it's roaring. It's just waiting on the volume here at the NYSE Open.
She's setting up.
She's setting up. 124 watching. Appreciate you guys stopping by today. If you haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel now. And give the stream a like.
124.
Man, I remember we were sitting here with 5 people on the stream. And it's good to see you all here. Hopefully you guys are getting some value here today. Hopefully you learned something from Tandy's story and some of the things that we've talked about on the charts. We talked
There's
about...
no way that people aren't learning something. Come on.
We talk about a little bit more than trading here, right? It's all about just being the best you could be, man, and winning in all areas of life. Hey bro, new trader here, trying out the trend line break strategy on gold. Had a trend line going up with 2 touches, and the third and fourth breaks. I sold gold 60 pips yesterday, 90 pips today. Beautiful, beautiful. If that's working for you, my friend, then by all means stick with it. Master it. You may have some nuances there, work them out, work out the kinks, and yeah, if it's working for you, keep doing it. Can we see the Dixie? Sure.
You're not at school. No. No, straight.
Is that a strategy you've seen work out before, or just luck? I really don't trade trend lines. I do understand them, right? You want to get like what, 2 or 3 bounces off of it. It's been a while, but yeah, I don't use any trend lines or anything. But like I said, if that works for you and you're comfortable and that's something that you could learn pretty easily and it makes sense to your brain, then by all means, stick to it for a little while. There's another pretty strong area here, right here. This line may be better positioned right here, because you have a support, you have a resistance, you have all these rejections. So yeah, this might be the more important area. Buy almonds now. Almonds versus USD on 1 hour time frame. Yeah, the trend lines, remember, everything's gonna work, right? You just got to stick with it long enough to let the probabilities play themselves out. If I were you, what I would do is I would do that for about 3 months and see what your win rate looks like, see how that's doing, and make a judgment from there. But every strategy works. It's just which one makes sense to you the most and which one can you actually stick with. Bottom wick getting pretty steep here. Wait for the 30. Buy gold now. Just follow the plan.
Buy gold, man.
Remember
Sir,
what
I buy gold?
if you were here, you should remember what we talked about this 30-minute candle here. This is where experience, patience, having a plan comes into play. Right? Knowing when volume comes into the market, seeing things over and over again. So I'm in. Bottom wick's getting pretty steep here now as well for gold. Putting together a group of savages.
Nikolovsky's waiting.
Nikolovsky's hanging in there. He's
He's
patient.
gonna wait 20 minutes.
You guys ever heard that Post Malone song? All it took was patience. Yeah.
You know what's crazy?
He was talking about
said
trading.
Post Malone, and I'm thinking about how he's like, he does that shit that I do, but it's like, he's like, ooh, I fall up.
He has that, what is it called? Vibrato or something like that?
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
I took the walk.
Oh man, I know some guys that used to do some funny noises like that.
That's that dolphin game.
Hey, by the way, guys, if you have purchased any signals or anything and you haven't messaged, I need you guys, I sent everyone an email, but I need you guys to message me on Discord so I can get you in this group right here. Because until I have your username on Discord, I don't know who you are. I don't know how to put you in. So you have to message me here. Either message me on Discord or message me on Instagram, or email us back so we can get you on there. I won't start the time until you're in there, but just make sure you guys message me. All right, we got 9 minutes here. 20 more minutes. I'm on my way to work. F this. Can't wait to never go into a day job again. It's coming, bro. It's coming. You all are doing time. Pass good.
We're passing time, bro.
I guess so.
Yeah, you know what's funny is, dude, I was sitting there when I was getting my Powerade and chocolate milk last night at Walmart. Dude, I gotta know what this lady said to this dude. This dude is standing there, this like bigger guy, and he just, dude, he let out the craziest laugh. She said something to this dude, and he was like, she had me weak, bro. He started squealing like a pig.
Yo, there's nothing like hanging out with someone who has a funny laugh.
Yo, as soon as I heard that shit, I broke my neck. I was looking, I was like, God damn.
Honestly, I'm happy to have you guys on stream because all you guys have pretty funny laughs. Especially you, Uncle Scalp.
Nah, I love her. So funny.
I need to
Joe's
remember.
got a rich laugh, you know?
Yeah, he's got.
Yo, he sounds like he's just balling.
He just sounds like he's.
He's only balling off his ass.
Sounds like he's just been balling since he was born.
Yo, Red FX, yeah, for real. Do not trade off your phone.
Yeah, you don't want to.
Do
Yeah.
not trade off your phone.
And also, hey, Red FX, good job, bro. Like 4-hour candle, everything was bullish. But a quick little tip here: when the new 4-hour opens up, it's very smart to wait for 9:30. A lot of times we find that the 4-hour, the first 30 minutes of the 4-hour is gonna basically stall a little bit. It's kind of gonna make a decision for the next candle, which is the volume candle that comes in at 9:30. So try it out. You know, try and be patient during 9 to 9:30, especially on gold or any USD pair, and sit tight for 9:30 because we want the volume anyway, right? We want that push. That's what we're looking for as scalpers. So yeah, just a little tip. I don't find myself taking a lot of positions anymore at 9. I find them typically being taken at 9:30. Yeah, timing is time is everything, right? There's going to be times of volume in the market, so you always want to capitalize on that. But again, not a bad move, right? It was part of the plan. Candle closed above, right? 1-hour candle, closed above as well. It's just this next 30 that you really want to be patient on. And the one thing is too that we closed below on this daily time frame. So that's why I'm still pretty open here on sells, because we never really closed above these resistances. But yeah, just a little tip. My laugh is infectious, I've been told. I only use my laptop, but I had to run an errand this morning. Yeah, all good. Correct, definitely should have waited. News coming. I think I'm gonna join day job too for a month. Yeah, do it. Word, learn something every day. Yeah. Yeah, just go, I know, oh, Gold Goblin said that. I thought somebody else said that. Yeah, just go do interviews and just do pranks on the interview. Just do a
I
prank.
had somebody do that.
I think like,
I was in the mall.
Step Brothers, where they did that interview? You guys seen that movie?
Nah,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
dude.
yeah.
Just go into jobs that are like super serious.
With a tuxedo.
Yeah, go to them where they're super like professional, and just go to the interview and just have a whole joke played out and just do it. Funniest thing. You see the big picture, Nick?
Yeah, I had someone do that to me. That when I was in the mall, they were like, "What's your definition of toxic?" or something like that. I forget. And it was so funny. I was like making some story. I was giving some story about how I used to get beat by my ex.
Exactly. I've been beat up by girls my whole life. Just start crying in the interview, like pouring out like some fake life story, some fake life like sob story.
Yeah.
Would you just please give me a job?
I can actually show you it if I find it.
Just please give me a job. My older sister beats the daylights out of me every afternoon. I can't stay in the house anymore. Oh, like this man, free education. Yes, sir. Big picture about the weekly, daily sells. Yeah, I really like that. Yeah. Yep. Weekly's about to flip bearish as well here. Made a nice top wick. Daily candle back to bearish. I think at the end of the candle we could possibly close below support here today. And then we can come down tomorrow to 1970. Right? So, because right here we really don't have any support, right? It's pretty clean for the most part, outside of the current support that, you know, we have right here. But if we close below, you know, we still have that clean traffic for the daily and the weekly to come on down. So got to put it all together, you know. So we're gonna need a bottom wick on this candle. If we can close below here, that would even be better. That would even be better. But this is what we've been waiting for, right? This is what we planned out from this morning, so. Let's do it. 2 minutes. Oh, lock it in, lock it in. Let me get everything set up on my end here. Yeah, GJ did the dribble, huh? My money don't dribble. It, 1 minute. 1 minute here, chat. So pretty much in this case, this is probably where I'll go risk-free, break even, probably close partials right around this white line here. Let's get rid of that. Let's switch it over to partials. Let's open this up. Risk-free. Keep that down there for now. So the position will probably look something like this. Probably use current 30-minute stops, and it's going to be the position. So gonna need a top wick here before anything. So we got to close. Now we need a top wick. I'm not entering here. If it drives, it drives, chat. I don't care. If this is your entry, take it. But for me, I'm gonna need a top wick, because at any point, remember what we are on the 1 hour time frame, right? We're bullish on the 4 hour. So if this thing doesn't give me exactly what I want, I ain't touching it.
I could see this doing a monster top wick too.
Yeah, I could also see this potentially close above too. So we have to be careful here, right? Because this candle could easily close like this. Now, if it re-breaks these lows after making a steep top wick, then okay, we could be confident that this trade could push down. But until we have that top wick, there's nothing, no confidence in this trade right now. If this thing drives, it drives. A lot of people just got entered into this at the break of that low. Hold the line. The other thing is we never close below this as well. So that's a little spooky too. It's a little fishy, man. It's a little fishy. I want to see us tap into this gray zone for a top wick. I know we got volume and all that, but we're pretty bullish, right, on the higher time frames here. So my price or no price. But hey, if this is your position when you break the lows again here, do it. By all means, follow your plan. Are you worried about that support at 88? Yes, I am. I am worried about that. Yep. Until I see a top wick tap into this gray zone, I'm worried about that. But if it drives, it drives. If we remove all drawings here and we base off this 30-minute, well, this is the range we're in, right? This is our range. If we can get a close outside of the range, we can get a push up. Same thing on the way down, or we need a steeper top wick, or I need it. But if you're re-breaking lows here, it should go. But if it's your position, don't let me hold you back.
Oh,
And there it goes. Blader. Can we see a bleeder?
Ready for takeoff.
We are ready for takeoff. We can even let the 15 do its thing too here, and then get an official close below that support. That's probably best. But if it drives without me, it drives without me. Tandy, let's fucking go. That's the background I like to see, my boy. He's back, baby. The king is back. Where's that?
Only 5 so more ASD. That's good.
What's your class?
You're about to get yelled at.
This is Tandy right now. Where is it?
I'm gonna keep on dressing like this for our charts in the morning, though. Yeah.
Yo, you should. Hold on, I got.
We should all wear suits.
This is Tandy right here.
Hell yeah.
Here he comes. He's back. He's fucking back, man.
Oh, I got Lady Gaga? Oh, man.
The king is back!
Surprise, surprise. The king is back, baby. Oh, man. Classic. Classic, man. Classic. Yeah, if we get a close below now, we could say, okay, we could drive. No FOMO here. No FOMO, everybody. If you're in, you're in. If it's your trade, it's your trade. GJ celery play. Let's take a look at pound yen. Oh, pound yen may start to form this. Did we break the daily low? Oh yeah, we did. Oh dang. Pound yen running into all this rejection here. Yeah, nah. I don't see a celery. Unless you're talking about the 5 minute.
Papi Muñeño.
Papi.
Muñeño.
So look at that. That would have been break even, chat. So we saved money on commissions today. I wasn't closing anything until we hit this support right here. So that would have been break even there. Now you guys can feel a little bit better. Chupapi. Yo. See how the 15 closes. We'll have a better idea here.
Oh, the blade.
Blade.
Blade. We gotta blade it. Land down.
And it communicates the message to Evan.
Yeah, if right, we had the idea, right? The idea was there, but if we are heavily bullish on the 4 hour after this rejection, heavily bullish on the 1 hour with this close above, this candle closed above this resistance, this chop to the left. Do you think it would be wise for us to get in here? It's not wise, right? Not saying it can't play out. It can 100% play out. It's just not wise for us to jump in with a small top wick and no closure below that range there. But, you know, we understand that the volume is there, that it can push us down. But sometimes you got to be willing to let volume go, to wait for your setup. And guess what? Sometimes that means, you know, maybe not taking a trade. And that is what it is. And for the most part, I probably would have been break even. So I would have probably got tapped out there anyway. Right, we don't want to settle down when higher time frames are screaming bullish. Right, you got the weekly, daily screaming bearish, 4 hour, 1 hour screaming bullish, 30 minutes screaming bearish. Just let another candle close. Not a 50-50, baby. Yup. Why waste the bullets? Yeah, it's not that it won't work, but like Scott said, it's a lower probability. It's a lower probability setup. So yeah, we got news coming in here. Red folder at 10. Let's see what happens with that. The king is back. Hey, we are almost at 900 subs. I can't wait for the 100 sub countdown. See how they do with the account. We're giving away two $20,000 challenge accounts. Once we crack 1,000 subscribers, if you're subscribed to the channel, then you have an opportunity to win. Got out at B. Yeah. All good. Yo, we going to make some money or what? Look at this. Just look at it. This could be our 1 hour, 4 hour bottom wick, gang. So. Hey, look at Tandy. He just looks like a different freaking man already. Jesus. You feeling good, Tandy?
No.
You feeling a little better now?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
My heart's happy.
His heart's happy, man.
Oh, yeah.
You want to have a happy heart, man.
He's glowing. Yo. Oh.
Man, I forgot about Facebook. Anybody else's mom post like zoomed up, screenshotted pictures of you? Like for our anniversary, my mom's like, happy anniversary. Too funny. Tandy's glowing, man. He's glowing.
My mom went insane on Facebook, dude. She's like sharing pictures of like, I guess Coke had share a Coke with ISIS. Remember those things?
Yeah.
Where they had like a name? And she was like, look at that. They're trying to conform us. I was like, Mom, it's a name. It's a name before it was an actual like
Facebook turned into the social media retirement home.
No facts. From Farmville.
Social media retirement home. Yeah, I be getting on Facebook every once in a while.
Oh,
lately,
Dixie.
and I'm like, God damn, I must be getting fucking old or something now, bro.
There you go, man. There's the Dixie.
Whenever I look at like Facebook, those little short videos, bad. Nobody, there's no security on that shit, dude. I see the weirdest shit on there. It's bad. I feel like Instagram has like at least like a border around it. There's like certain things. Facebook, it's like I'm watching Chinese dudes like eat a pug, and I'm like, dude, what am I watching right now?
Yo, you be shocked what's on Facebook, man.
It's
Crazy.
insane.
All right, well, look at this, chat.
Pug might taste good though. Who knows?
Pull all the way back up. 1 hour celery? Huh? Yeah, so Dixie is pushing up, gold is pushing up and down. So yeah. 15's gonna close here in a minute. Dixie's going back down, gold's going back up. Man, even if we close below, sells are not great. They're really not. The especially off the 15. 30's pretty clean. Not gonna lie. 30's decent, but 15 got a pretty strong level right here.
I heard that.
Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, 4 hour though is very bullish, man. GJ buy? No sir. No way, Jose. Can't take a buy. All red candles.
What? I hate Facebook, bro.
Man, this could be the pullback and take off for buys. It's a tough trade, yep. When you trade in the previous 1 hour, your full TP would be before it ever breaks the 1 hour lows. Yeah, this yeah, man. Pretty bullish, to be honest. I mean, I see what we got going on here, right? You got a high, low, high, low, high. We could continue down for sure. We have news here at 10, so let's see what happens here. And GJ is a bit tough because we filled all the ranges here, right? Next range gets a little choppy. This was the range we really wanted. Right here. After this resistance formed, right there. Johnny boy, what you learning about there, pal? ABCs, 1, 2, 3s?
Absolutely nothing.
Oh,
That's what I
Yes.
This
They
is,
just got
My
it
guy's,
this is an update.
my guy's sitting in science class learning about the inside of a leaf. Yo.
Dude said ABCs. Oh my god.
You guys, they're learning about which gender they are or whatever the case is, and then who knows. If you're not sure, that's totally fine. All you gotta do is look down.
You can see that he wants to say so much.
Yeah, right. He's holding it back.
He's about to teach the teacher, bro.
He should. The teacher does need to learn a few things from him.
Definitely, bro. I should be up there teaching everyone.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
Tell them all sub to the channel. We need to. We're on our way to 900 here. Tell the whole class sub to the channel. Get this thing on the big screen in class.
Get
right
him
now.
up on the Promethean.
We'll teach him something. Put him up. Put us up on the projector.
Yeah, put him up on.
It is a waiting game today. Funny that once we got on the charts, there was a little bit of a trade there.
No, I thought I missed that.
Yeah, nah, we didn't take that. It wasn't bad though. It was just like literally once we got on stream. I actually set up my magic keys for that and was about to activate my sell stop, but it broke the lows. I'm like, damn. We were too late. Who's in these cells? Anybody?
Negative.
Negative.
I would have liked the buys. Like,
Yeah, I would have liked that 30-minute
4 hour
celery.
come up and flip.
Yeah, I really wanted this 30 to close
Yeah.
above and push up before news here.
See, I was wondering if we weren't just gonna like tap into those like lows
Right
to
here?
our, yeah, right there, and then flip and come up on the 30. That's what
Yeah.
I was wondering.
Yup.
We got 4 hours.
We still may do that. We still may do it. This 30 can still close above in 10 minutes here. But you know this oh wow, so this hour candle is gonna close as well here. Forgot about that.
Yeah. How nice is it out? It should be beautiful.
Looks beautiful over here.
A little chilly.
Little chill, little chill.
But there ain't no more frost on anyone's goddamn windshield. That kid, or whoever the hell it was, didn't even leave, I don't think either. What the hell was the point of that? He's literally
just
sitting out
start-
there like this.
Started his car up. Oh, scraped his ice and
Scraping the
dip.
fucking windshield. It's like 40 degrees. I don't even know how there's any ice on this shit.
Jeez, bro. I'm so happy I'm not dealing with that anymore.
It's not even that bad. Like, that's what I'm saying. What is the temperature right now?
Not for
I
me,
was
bro.
like-
I got a hoodie on.
Yeah, it's 43. Like, that is not bad. I know Tandy's nuts start quaking.
No, that's not bad at all. Not for
That's not
NY.
bad at all.
That sounds wild, bro. What?
That shit made Tandy's nuts start. I seen it from the camera.
My nipples instantly got hurt.
He heard 45 degrees. He was like,
Cut diamonds. That's crazy. Nah, that's not too bad. It's just a little nippy. That's about it.
little nippy.
Like, I'd go outside with shorts on right now.
Oh, you're one of those.
One of those shorts and a hoodie guys.
It's like, it's the sky is blue, the sun is out. It's just a little chilly.
You're one of those emo kids that would wear like a hoodie and shorts.
Yes.
It's snowing outside and you're still wearing shorts.
I was part of the Drain Gang.
Drain gang.
Take a knife and drain your
It's a bleeder.
Drain Gang.
It's a bleeder.
Yeah, the timing on that one. Oh, no. It's a bleeder. Right after we talked about it.
Man, if we didn't have this freaking support, if we didn't have this right here, this close right here would have been amazing. But it would have been pointless to try and take this right in this range. That was NY open too, so guess it made sense from a momentum volume standpoint. Push through. Goldie. I'm not too familiar with this price action, to be honest. Not a fan of it. Here for the vibes. The vibes. Alright, nothing on here, chat. Let's go find another pair. Just kidding. Let's go find another pair and just take a random trade.
CHF.
Yeah.
USD shit.
USD chef.
Shafted. I'm sorry, it's USD shafted. Because if you're trading that shit, you're probably gonna get shafted.
Yeah. Hey, yo. I will get back to all these messages too in a little bit. I see all the messages. We'll get back with y'all after the stream. I'm gonna get with y'all after the stream, man.
Yeah, wait till you open my Instagram one. That's just pure comedy, bro.
Pure gold. The king is back. Oh, dang. Man, they're copyrighting me for one of the songs we've been playing.
No, what one?
Same Friends. That one of the songs I played on the outro yesterday. Luckily, they don't take the stream down. They just ban
I'm
it.
still with the same friends.
Yeah. Luckily, they don't ban it. They don't take the stream down. They just ban it in like a different country.
Yeah, good thing. Some songs you gotta watch.
Yeah. Anything like big commercial, you gotta be careful with.
See, I feel like let me go back through. I can find some of the ones that are big hits, and I can tell you which ones also aren't.
Big boys. $50.
Play "Wait for You"
Oh yeah, that one with Drake and Future.
with Drake and Future.
Yeah, that's a big one.
It can't be seen or monetized. That's one of them. Massaging Me on that same album too.
News coming in here in 5.
Okay, basically that whole Future album.
Yeah, anything newer with Drake and bigger names is gonna get a hit.
One thing that I like.
One thing.
South to the west.
All right, we got news coming up here in just a few minutes. I need to breathe and relax before the news. Where's the next move? Only time will tell. Man, I want to see the news come out, because if the news pushes us up, the 4-hour low is down here, remember. right? Daily's bullish, remember. So if the news pushes us up, then we could look to take entries after getting a support. Something like this. We could look to take buys coming back up. So we gotta see how the news comes out, see where that puts us, and then we can look for the money. Take a breathe. Deep breaths. Deep breaths.
Deep breaths and leave a like and a sub.
And leave a like and a sub. Don't breathe until you leave a like and a sub. Breathe.
I want to see them numbers.
I want to see the numbers juicing. Come on, chat. Those are rookie numbers.
If bullish, let's make money. Yes, sir.
Sakura. There's a really good Japanese restaurant named Sakura by my old, where I used to live in New York. Sakura.
What is a sakura? Isn't that like a cherry blossom?
That I'm not too sure.
I think it's like the pink cherry tree.
John likes Sakura. Johnny boy, when you almost in gym class yet or what, pal?
John, did you fire your teacher yet? Brother?
Our stream.
Johnny boy, there he is. Brother.
Yo, Sam, that's hilarious.
Yeah, I was wondering how I heard it. It's like,
Damn, he should have stayed on our stream, bro.
Dude, I mean, like, it's to the point where it's just like, you gotta just, it's one or the other, bro.
That's funny, dude.
It's one or the other, bro. Don't chance to let yourself go outside.
Man was in buys and sells at the same damn time.
They're both losing, too. Like, come on. Bro.
They're both losing. You guys ever did that? Get into buys and then get into sells and then draw down and bolt? Imagine that one. Alright, here comes the news.
Wow. Yeah, that was comedy, bro.
This candle's gonna close with no bottom wick, and then the next one's gonna pop up. John's teacher's teaching them how to count to 21 right now. What comes after 20? 21.
What comes after 22?
Here we go. Here comes the news. No bottom wick and a push up. No bottom wick, no bottom wick, no bottom wick, no bottom wick. Oh, maybe a drive down then. Oh, where we going? Where we going? That was it? That was the fireworks show? So, okay, so 1 hour candle closed below. Let me just check the spreads here. Spreads aren't too bad. Let's see this 4 hour now.
This conversation there, in this 65-page paragraph of a single conversation, they not coach you on how to handle SEC investment. You don't want them to think.
Mute. John, can you mute yourself? So we don't have to hear Mr. Flanagan over here talking about.
Big fireworks show.
Big fireworks show. Alright, let me see something here. How did that news come out?
Positive for gold.
So good for gold? For gold to go
Yeah.
up? Alright, cool. So we may have this 4 hour continue up here now. So let's continue to be patient here and see if we can get a bullish closure. See if we could break this high here. Manipulated, yep.
I guess I really did not have to announce that. I could just kind of walk away.
He's talking out loud. He's thinking out loud. What are we doing? What are we doing? We didn't break the high here. I think it's best to wait for the 30, and the 30 will basically tell us whether we got a position or whether we're calling it a day. Because if this 30 closes weak bullish, then we could have a seller play to continue filling the range. If it closes all the way up here, then we could possibly take buys, anticipating the 4 hour here to continue up. So let's just hang tight. Hang tight. I think we want to break this high here. That's what we want to do. That's what we want to do. Give me 1 sec.
Where's my boy Mikolovsky? Mikolovsky, you still in the chat? Someone said manipulated?
Is it really though? Is it manipulated? Candle hasn't closed yet. We're still waiting. Just up and down to the market.
I didn't know what Mikolovsky thinks, bro.
Mikolovsky.
Yeah, I didn't know what he thinks, bro. Gold up or down, sir?
Up or down? It's up and down. Up and down, up and down. Yeah, really nothing we could do here, right? A lot of unstableness going on. News pop, we never broke the high here. $54 pips stops. Unless we get a celery play. I think the closer we get to the next Fed announcement, the more we are going to see indecision like this. I agree. Just hit buy and sell like that other guy.
Yeah.
Bro, that dude's probably in super drawdown on both right now.
I don't even know how you be in.
Wait, who?
My
It's
man,
funny, I gotta go look.
my man had a stream on, had our stream playing on his stream. They should have just kept us on because now they're hedging this position right here.
Who?
I don't even know, bro. I don't know his name. Sam sent it to me. They should have just kept watching our stream, or maybe just come over to our stream.
Yeah, show me Sam. I want to see.
Here, I
Sir.
sent it to Green earlier because I was like, no chance, bro. I gotta send it to somebody who's in the chat, but like not in the Zoom, so that we're not just sitting here laughing and shit. Because then Nick's gonna be like, what the hell is going on? And then we'd have to show him. Like right about, and it would have been just so awkward.
That would have been funny. Sir, you have any idea for online business for me to create to fund my trading? Prudy Febbles. Love the name.
Yo, sick name.
Fact. Where did you even come up with that? Like,
Yeah,
Sounds like someone.
wow. Yeah, I might know some stuff. Hit me up on Instagram. We could chat.
Yo, here's a quick one for you, really fast. Use AI for this. Tell Midjourney to create coloring book pages, and tell that. Not drawn in or anything, just the outline.
There you go.
Boom.
There you go.
Now you got it for free. Coloring books. I don't feel like anyone's making coloring books right now.
Bada bing, bada boom. Come on, man.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Let me know. I'll buy one.
Super fucking easy. All you gotta do is advertise.
Why can't I find Tandy's thing?
Dang, dude.
Yeah,
That's
hold on. I just put it in the chat.
bro.
Zoom.
My name's just Tandy.
You're not on the Discord.
What is
Oh my
this?
God, I can't find your name.
What is
Oh.
this? What is this?
You might be all offline.
Yeah. I
Oh,
always
is this
have it
the
off.
Oh yeah.
Oh damn, chat. This dude's in a buy and in a sell.
Right now, still.
Holy. Hey, our boy Simon's in there. Simon, what are you doing, man?
He's been in there all morning. Scrolling that chat.
Simon, where you been? Where you been, brother? Oh, he's using magic keys. Cool. Yeah, I need to make a little overlay like that, bro.
I'll try to help. I don't know.
I need to get that done.
But I'll try.
Okie dokie. So we broke 15-minute highs. Can we break 30 highs? Pretty Febbles, man. Honestly. If you thought of that name, I know you can find an opportunity online. I know you can think of something to do online to make money. The fact that you even thought of that name, man, come. Sheesh.
What the hell did I do to my Zoom, bro? Oh, there we go.
I want to stop selling rock out here at Mom House because I.
Yo, this guy's fucking crazy.
Yeah. Come last time it was
Rock out my
bad.
house instead, someone said.
Facts. So I have to find a new way to create income. That's why I asked, my friend. Yeah, 100%, man. 100%. I feel you on that. Definitely go legit and go online.
So I have to find a new way to create income. That is why I asked my friend. Yo.
Oh, that's amazing.
I want to stop selling rock. Sounds like a rap song. Thank you, sir. Yo, yeah, hit me up, bro. I may have something up my sleeve for you. Green, I'm telling Don. What? Perfect.
Cut that shit, man. Come on, you're going, man. Too many ways to make
Facts.
Tell them long legs. Green don't care. Stay safe, man. Yo, stay safe, man. Watch out for the ops. Yeah, cut it out, bro. Come on, man. That's a little boy game.
Not telling on you. Long legs, if you go and tell, you think he will have any more respect for you? No.
Ooh, looky here, looky. Can we break the 30 high here?
Send me the same info as well. What are we all trying to make crack rock?
Oh, snap.
Or whatever's going on?
They all want online opportunity.
Oh.
For those of you that don't know,
Yeah, that's right.
I have a whole online business website and all that, but I just don't promote it here. Hit me on the private. It's not here to promote my other endeavor. My other endeavors. This is for you to learn how to trade like a professional. Long Wicks is a whistleblower.
He's a snitch.
Oh yeah, if we get Tandy back, that does mean we get Odin back. Let's go! Odin, we love you, bro. Where's Odin at? Odin! My guy. Get the walking, bro.
Yeah, buddy. We got the superpowers back.
Alright, now we got a whole bunch of other talk. We got ratting people out. We got selling rock, man. Where we going with this today?
Selling rock, bro.
Where we going with this?
What are we telling Don though? What? I don't really get that.
Tell Don I love him, I appreciate him, I'm thankful for everything he's done.
Yeah, Don's
That is a
amazing.
good question.
That's
What are
all we telling
telling
Don.
I just assume you were telling him something bad. Something good, something bad.
Something good. Chat took a turn today. Word.
You chat lit.
Chat's out. They're like, yo, no trades today. Yeah, this 30-minute candle is gonna basically make it or break it here for the day. Never broke the highs here. You may have a 15-minute celery play here. $65 pip range below. Let's see how this 15 closes. My kids are up wilding out, so you know.
12:13 a.m. here in Australia. I just had the best laugh. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Chat lit.
Chat lit, damn. It's late night. GJ not stopping for anyone. Oh, I forgot about GJ. Oh, lit.
So take a joke, fam. Sure, TJ do be bleed.
Bleed. Yeah, all good. I knew price could have went back down after reaching resistance, clean traffic. That engulfing candle could have been an entry. What do you think? Which one? This one? This candle here? Pound yen? Antonio? Oh, no bottom wick. Alright, 15 on gold. Closed. On gold? Which one? Big engulfing candle? This one at 9:30? Could've. But we were bullish on the 1 hour and the 4 hour at that point, and we never closed below this choppiness. So why take a trade that you're not confident in? You know what I'm saying? Know what I mean? Oh my God, GJ, what happened? Yeah, GJ just a bleeder. Downtown. We could have taken an entry here. This is probably the only entry I would have taken on pound yen. Yeah, you had a whole move right here to take advantage of. 165,700 coming in hot. Got a few minutes and we'll decide whether or not we're going to take a position or whether or not we're going to call it a day. Appreciate all you guys coming by. 100 plus here. I think I seen like 140 just a little while ago. But yeah, appreciate you guys stopping by. Got oh, Nico's in the house. What up, Nico? Got a full boat here on Zoom today.
Good day, bro.
Good day, my brother. Got almost a full boat. Oh, here comes the flippy flip. We never broke 30-minute highs, which is good, real good. 15-minute celery possibility. Think gold, call it for the day, sell stocks below that low now. Yeah, I'd rather not settle for a 15-minute. I'd rather just do the 30. Break the lows. Let's just watch it drive here, chat. Let's just watch it. Make sure you join Asian session. Hey, Green, no promoting on this stream. Come on, Green, you know the rules. Let's see, let's watch it drive here, if it's gonna drive on this celery play. Green the goat mod. The goat mode. It's nice to be green, man. It's nice to be green.
How you feeling about this right now?
If this goes, it goes for me.
What are you waiting for?
I would rather see the 30-minute close up. Kind of pushed a little bit, broke these lows. That's fine. I want to see how this 30-minute candle is going to close. Because 15's a bit weak confirmation, so. Five pips there. Yeah, not worth it. Yeah, I mean, a lot of volume here today. A lot of volume, but we're not after volume, right? We're after our own setup. The volume is a plus, but we're not just, you know, shooting for the volume here. We want to make sure we have direction. We want to make sure we have our confirmations, right? Our playbook needs to be visible. You got to recognize. Remember what I said, chat. Your setup should stick out like a sore thumb. I haven't seen anything just yet that I can say, there it is, right? So, no rush. There's always tomorrow as well. But you go into a 15-minute celery, this candle flip bullish, now you're shitting your pants, and the last thing you want to do is be shitting your pants in a trade.
Caught you with your pants down.
With your pants down, man. if we can get a 30-minute celery, then the 15 forming resistance, that would be nice. Yeah, that would be bad. Something like that. A 15 close below, and then the next candle pops with a nice little top wick. Nice little toppy. And then the push down. That may be something I'm interested in.
That might be it for me. I think I'm gonna hit up.
Yeah, this 30 is the last straw here for me.
Alright, chat. Alright, everybody in this Zoom. Oh,
Alrighty, Sam. This guy pops out of nowhere. You.
I forgot that it was pulling up.
Another one. Thanks for coming by today, pal.
I'll be back tomorrow. I see you guys.
Later.
Later.
Peace.
I
Alright.
can't wait to live in Florida, man. Shit.
Same here on the scalp.
Let's go.
Like, I need to be able to get off the stream and go for a walk on the beach, go have lunch.
Just take your shirt off and just start walking.
Yeah, fucking Staten Island right now.
Where, bro? New York is whack.
Staten Island.
Trash. Fucking garbage.
Oh,
Bro,
Staten
you plan
Island.
on moving down there?
Without a doubt, in the next couple months, for sure.
Oh,
Bro,
word.
same here, bro.
Okay.
Before 2023 ends, I'll be in Florida.
Let's go.
Me
I
too,
love
bro.
that.
100%.
Let's do it.
Just a matter of where.
Gone.
Either
Yeah, you
I
don't
want to go to either Miami or Fort Lauderdale. One of those. I just don't know where yet.
Bro, where I live, everything is brand spanking new, dude.
No, I know, yeah, it looks fine.
But I'm also not by the beach. Like, I'm
yeah, I
not
just have family
too
on the
close.
East Coast. I have family on the East Coast, so I kind of want to stay over there.
Yeah.
I'm really familiar with the East Coast,
Yeah.
but yeah, I don't know where exactly I want to be. But
Yeah, nah, it's nice down there. I live down there in a place called Weston. It's like North Miami. It was pretty nice. Not too far from Fort Lauderdale. Six minutes and we have a decision here. The final decision. Oh, I can walk to the beach. It's about 10 minutes away. Yeah, Jose. I know. Got the beautiful sunsets in Naples. Hey, yo, Lele. What it do? Hi. Oh, wow. Say hi to everyone. Say what up to the squad. Say hi. The final decision before we do what? Before we turn the charts off.
Lele, what up?
Oh, is that Uncle John? You hear him? What do you say? Say hi? Say it again, John.
Lele, what up?
You guys hear John's baby talk, gang? Say hello.
Lele.
You hear Uncle John talking? Yeah, 15 ain't bad. Not bad at all. Plus, that would be... We'll wait for the 30 minutes to get a top wick, and then... Yeah, it's not bad. You like this one? 5 minutes. I need some money today. Sakura needs some money today, Lele. Oh, go get it. You're fine. right, will we drive? Remember what I said, chat. If it drives, it drives. Gotta wait for this 30 here. What's our buddy GJ doing? Are you silly? Hold on. Wow. What a line. Alright, looking pretty good. Might get a position here. Hey, yo! What up?
Shay.
Tell him, you might get a position here, man. What up, kid? Go get Maverick. You wanna say what up, too? Say what's up, everybody.
My man just crawling around the floor.
Just running around, crawling around. Say what up, everyone. You don't know how to talk it. Yeah, yep. Oh, my daughter's in Pampers, nice. You also have a beautiful princess. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. I also have a beautiful wifey too.
No.
Right? Mommy's smoking hot. Right? Oh well, no, not right. Not you, man. Get out of here, get out of here. Alright kids, time to go. It's business time. Here, take a look at that. We got 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute, Lily. Oh, no closure below your. I'll come hang out with you in a few minutes. Yes, 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 yes. Don't worry, Lily. It's not gonna close below, I promise. Oh, what are we gonna do here? What are we gonna do? What's it gonna be? The final. Oh yeah, the final test. My man's pulling around, and next thing you know, he's gonna say, "Are you going to make some money or what?" Facts. All right, I'm calling it a day here, chat. No close below on the 15. 30 close doji. 1 hour is still open. 4 hour is bullish. That's gonna do it, man. That is gonna do it for me. So no trades here today. No big deal, right? We come back tomorrow and make something happen, all right?
See you guys tomorrow.
Be careful, right? Because you got a support right here as well. So if you're taking any trades, just be careful. Wait for your setups. And don't cheat the game. All right? Love you guys. Hope you guys have a great day. Like and sub to the channel on your way out. And appreciate you guys stopping by. And until tomorrow morning. Later, later.
Peace, boys.
Peace, peace.
Peace, chat.
Peace, y'all. Later.
Peace, 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 peace.
Peace.